Hello, 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 hello. Good evening, my dear boys and girls. Good evening, vanakkam. Yes, gaming. Yes, 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 yes. Class is there. Yes. Tell me, how are you people? How are you doing? How things are going for you? எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Good evening, gaming. Good evening, good evening. Lenneth, hi. Hi, Krishna, hi. Virat, vanakkam, Virat. Yes, 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 yes. Joan edits. Good evening, Joan edits. Okay. Great, 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 great. Yes. Guys, ask your friends to join the class da. So அவருக்கு inform பண்ணுங்கடா. Very important session எனக்கு. Hi, hi Chintu. Hi Chintu. Welcome back to yet another power packed session, my dear Chintos. Yes. How's your preparation going, guys? Let me know if you can hear me in the chat box. Let me know. If you can hear me, let me know in the chat box. Say yes in the chat box if you all can hear me. Voice kekada. In the voice kekada. If you all can hear me, say yes in the chat box. That's great. That's great. I can see a lot of fire symbols in the chat box now. You are so, yes, yes, yes. You are so excited to solve the questions. Great. Studying only physics and chemistry. Why, Virat? Why? Why not math da? So we are going to teach you the very important chapters, very important sums. NXER, so grateful for you. Thanks for helping us. Yes, it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. NC XER. Gaming is studying only math. Day only math padikka kudadra. Only math, physics, chemistry, individual oru subject madikku padikka kudadu. So you have to give, according to me, you have to give an equal importance to all three subjects da. Okay va? Idor subject padicha rank varadra. Yes. If you are really good at one subject, other two subjects are okay. You are being like that, then fine. One subject la 95 vandiruchu sir. Okay, so remaining two subjects I am getting like 30 or 40. Then you are still in good zone. Purida. Right, Nikesh? Nikesh, hi Nikesh. Hi. Good to see you, Nikesh. Kavin, nariya questions, Kavin. Beautiful questions, Kavin. We are going to see different questions. All sort of questions we are going to go with. Nandakumar, hi Nandakumar. Let's start. Yes. Just 2 more minutes, we'll start. Just 1 more minute. At least 1 minute we'll wait for others to join. We'll start. Hi gaming. Yes. Hi Divyesh. How are you, Divyesh? Happy to see you, Divyesh. It's been a while since I saw you, Divyesh. Hi Zoro. Hi. Okay, people. Hope you all are doing great. Please take care of your health at the moment. See, at this particular point in time, you all have to take care of your health. Okay, wow. I think board exams are done. Almost one CS exam is there. So plus your JEE is upcoming. In the time you can't relax, please. Okay, so take care of your health. Hi Darshana. Hi. Unknown. Yes. Sir, do you like TVK? Day. I don't know the political parties in Tamil Nadu. I know, but like I don't know who is what here. I mean, okay, so it's fine. It's better to be neutral. Nikesh. Virat got traumatized by looking at the math. Why Virat? Enach Virat. Virat, I'll tell you solidly 10 chapters, Virat. Okay, you prepare those chapters. Mainly, I mean, whatever the chapters we are discussing now, and the chapter மேல நிறைய focus இருக்கணும். Because the chapters வந்து like playing major role in the recent past. Okay, wow, 2026 January shift la, I mean session la. So whatever the chapters I'm discussing, they were playing major role da. Yeah. So we have to focus on these chapters. Preparing for math board examination. Math board examination. Kavin, board exam math mudinchida. Kavin. Arunachalam, hi sir, hi. Hi Arunachalam, hi, good to see you Arunachalam, I am from Pro Batch. Wow. Right. Virat is DVS. Oh my goodness. Ready? Let's get into the show now. We'll start now. So I've got beautiful questions, guys. Guys, நீங்க டக்காட்டக் ஃபட்டாஃபட் சால்வ் பண்ணணும்டா. ஜாஸ்தி டைம் எடுக்க கூடாது. மறக்காம இந்த செஷன் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணணும். And don't forget to subscribe the channel. என்ன சேனல் தெரியுமா? JEE Vaathi. Okay. பாரு எப்படி இருக்கு? JEE Vaathi. வா அண்ணா வா. Okay. So please do subscribe this. Please do share these notes with your friends. Yes, Sabri, Arunachalam, என்னடா உங்களோட பேர் என்னடா? You are in fire. Great. அந்த fire mode la da irukkanuda. அந்த fire mode la da irukkanu. With that fire mode, let's get into the show now. Okay, let's get started. Right. The first question பாத்தீங்கன்னா, see, everybody look at the board. Let a circle of radius 4 pass through the origin O, the points A and B, where A and B real parameters, AB is not equal to 0 da. Then the locus of the centroid of triangle OAB of a circle of radius enna. Then the locus of the centroid of triangle OAB. Okay va guys, and the triangle oda locus vandu or circle da, and the triangle oda locus, are you getting the point? Locus of the centroid of triangle OAB. புரியுதா? locus oda, I mean centroid oda locus enna circle, அவரோட radius enna. சார் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? பாரு, everybody look at the board. Simple question da. So firstly let me draw the diagram. So இது வந்து minus root 3a comma 0, இது வந்து இது. Okay, so let us draw the diagram like this. Okay, so circle is passing through the origin, correct or not? The circle is passing through the origin. So let me draw the diagram neatly. Okay, so can we draw the diagram like this? Okay, now look, எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா இது? Yes or no? Check. Sir, இது வந்து 0,0 sir. Okay, இது என்ன sir? இது வந்து origin O, இது வந்து A, which is minus root 3a comma 0 sir. இது வந்து B sir. B என்ன sir? 0, minus root 2b sir. So there is one triangle sir. ஒரு triangle இப்படி இருக்கு sir. Okay வா? OAB ஒரு triangle. Okay, OAB is one triangle sir. சரி, இப்போ இந்த triangle பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த triangle ஓட centroid will be somewhere here sir, G. கரெக்டா? அந்த centroid ஓட locus is circle da. Okay, centroid let me denote it as H comma K. So I am finding the locus of centroid da. Okay va? In the centroid, let us take it as H comma K. Correct? Okay, now tell me guys, I'll tell you one point da. Can I say this AB has a diameter here? AB வந்து diameter சொல்லிக்கலாமா இதுக்கு சார்? அரே பாபு, இங்க வந்து 90 degrees da. Angle in semicircle 90 degrees ah. Angle in semicircle 90 degrees ah. அப்போ AB diameter சொல்லிக்கலாமா? இங்க 90 இருக்குடா, அப்போ AB ஜாயின் பண்ணா AB diameter ஆயிடும். புரியுதா? Yes or no? Genius is asking what is locus. Shabrinathan, okay. Indumati, I'll tell you Indumati. First you focus on this Indumati. Adiyum solve pannalam Indumati. Right? So tell me here. Now tell me guys, AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter is nothing but appo enna sir pandrathu? We need to use a diametric form. U is how the G is in AB. Arey babu, G is the centroid. Of the triangle, correct? Are you getting the point? So it need not to be here, it can be somewhere here. You are saying that centroid is this, right? So it can be like this. Okay, centroid is somewhere like that. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. In the triangle, ingi irukira babu, ingi irukku. So that is the centroid of the triangle will be somewhere here. Okay. So okay, I don't have space there. Let me write here only. Okay, understand that. So that is a centroid. Let me say this is G here. Okay, let me say that is G. Okay, this is G sir, this is H comma K sir. Okay, you make sure that you are not erase this. Okay, okay. So tell me now, tell me, how do you find out AB equation? D, very good Rachintu, very good Rachintu, very good Rachintu. See, AB is the diameter here. AB is the diameter. Diameter is sir, 2 times of radius sir. 2 times of radius sir. Upon radius of the circle is sir. Radius of the circle is sir. Theriyadu. Radius of the circle is theriyuma. Theriyunda Chintu. That is equal to 4. Radius of the circle is sir. 4. Upon 2r is equal to what sir? 2r, which is 2 into 4, which is 8. AB length is sir. AB length is 8. Appo A and B distance is sir. AB is equal to, what is the distance sir? Root 3, I mean distance between A and B na 3a square. Are you getting the point? And then plus 2b square is equal to 8 sir. Appo 3a square plus 2b square is equal to 8. Can you write like this? Do you all agree with my point? Do you all agree with my point? Wonderful sir. Sir, if squaring on both sides panna, is 64 I know sir. Squaring on both sides panna is 64 I know sir. Wonderful. Now tell me, I will be finding the centroid of the triangle ABC. Centroid of the triangle ABC, sir. Centroid of the triangle ABC is what? Look, centroid of the triangle ABC is what? Centroid of the triangle, OAB. Triangle OAB. Idhar G and now centroid minus root 3a divided by 3 comma minus root 2b divided by 3. So since I am finding the locus of the centroid, can I take the centroid as h comma k? We are finding the locus of the centroid. So centroid, can I take it as h comma k? Appo h enna sir, appo a enna sir. This is one star equation sir. This is star equation sir. So star equation for a enna sir, what is a here? Minus 3h by root 3. Correct? If we equate paniklama, are you getting the point? B enna sir, 3k minus 3k by root 2. Correct or not? This is B sir. Appo if the cancellation panna, 3 cancel male or root 3 irkonda. So for star equation substitute pannadum. This ellame star equation substitute panna enna varum? For star equation substitute panna pari. Star equation substitute panna, but I am going to get 3a square. A value enna sir, root 3h minus root 3h whole square plus. Are you all understanding or not? Hello? Yes sir. Now B, 2 times of b square. B square is what sir? 3 square minus 3k by root 2 whole square is equal to 64. Correct? Yes or no? This is solve panna enna savarum? This is 3 9h square plus 3 so 9 8k square by 2. Yes or no? 8k square by 2 means what? 9 to 18 9 is equal to 64. Correct? This is 9 dana. So since we are finding locus, 9x square plus 9y square is equal to 64. Correct? Appo circle enna sir? Circle enna sir? X square plus y square is equal to 64 divided by 9. Radius enna sir? 8 by 3 dana radius. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Purida ellarkum? Very good Ratambi. Yes or no? Yes, Sarvesh. Purida, are you all clear? Are you all clear? Are you all clear? Are you all clear? Arey Vidyal batch 8:30 not 6:30. Okay ma. This is the answer Babu. I just found the locus of the centroid of triangle ABC. I mean OAB. That is what basically this. A and B I found. I substituted the star equation. Circle on the circle on radius on the 8 by 3. Okay? Yes. Next question polama. Next question polama. Yes sir. Next question. Beautiful question. Let the set of all the values of R for which the circle this and this intersect at 2 distinct points in the interval alpha comma beta. Then alpha beta na. 2026 question ID. 2026 question Rachintu. Tell me, how do you do this? Let us say that C1. What is C1 here? What is C1? And solve pani pada. X square plus 1 square plus 2x a square plus b square plus 8y is equal to r square. Yes or no da? This way na, actually, why are we writing this? Why are we writing this? Straight away we can write na x plus 1 y. Let me write directly da. See, let us say, see, let me say C1 is that, C2 is this. Okay, center 1 means what? Center 1 is what? Center 1 is what da? Minus 1 comma minus 4. Correct ah? Appo radius 1 is sir r. Guys, in the circular center 1 minus 1 comma minus 4, radius 1 r sir. Appo C2 is sir. They are intersecting at two distinct points. Circles இப்படி இருக்குடா பாபு, look at the board everyone. Circles are intersecting like this. Circles are intersecting like this. Very very important case da. Okay, nature of two circles. Nature of two circles. Total எனக்கு 5 conditions இருக்குடா. When two circles are intersecting, when two circles are touching, when two circles are internally touching, when two circles are externally touching, one circle lies inside the other circle, when two circles are away from each other. Okay, the 5 conditions are very very important. Ninga kattukanum. Okay, what is C2? Center to enada 2 comma 1. Appo radius to enada 4 plus 1 plus 4, which is 3 sir. Okay va. So internally touching. The internally touching means condition enada sir. When two circles are intersecting, condition enada. We know that R1 minus R2 lesser than C1 C2 lesser than R1 plus R2. Pudinchare Chinto R minus 3 C1 C2 and sir, what is C1 C2? C1 C2 we all have to learn. What is C1 C2 sir? C1 C2 we'll do somewhere here. We'll do C1 C2 somewhere, we'll calculate here. So C1 C2, what is that C1 C2 sir? C1 C2, calculate panipar, how much was C1 C2? So 9 plus 25, 34, correct ah? Check. C1 C2 means distance between the center da. This one the C1, this one the C2. Distance between the centers. Distance between the centers is root 34. Check. So I got root 34 sir. This one the root 34 on there sir. Okay. Up R1 plus R2 and sir. R plus 3 sir. Okay wow. So case wise solve panna. Case wise solve panna. Case wise solve panna. Let us solve this case. Let us solve this case. Enna case sir? In the case. In the case mattukku separate solve panni paru. Eppadi sir? This solve panna. What is this? Basically r minus 3 lies between root 34 and minus root 34. Correct? Do you agree with my point? Do you agree with my point? Are you all understanding what I am doing here? Are Chintu, why it is okay? Correct? Yes or no? Minus root 34 less than r minus 3 less than root 34, correct or not? Appo minus, tell me how do I write, tell me now. R, what is R here? 3 minus root 34. Can you all see the board? Yes sir. R lesser than root 34 plus 3. Okay wow. Either condition. Okay, now if I do this, this solve panna avarum, this solve panna avarum, this solve panna avarum, pari, this solve panna avarum. So R root 34 minus 3 lesser than r, correct or not? Idor case in the rendu cases oda intersection edukanum. Intersection eppadi sir edukradhu? Intersection eppadi edukanum, tell me. R should be more than root 34 minus 3 da. So combinedly if I read da, my r enoda radius vandu check, from this radius should be more than root 34 minus 3 but lesser than what? Root 34 plus 3, correct or not? That is what we have. Check. Intersect at two distinct points in the interval alpha comma beta. So alpha comma beta na check, this alpha ipo, this alpha, idanna beta. Okay, so what they are asking us to find out? Alpha into beta sir. Alpha into beta na sir, a square minus b square. A square में b square. So 25 is answer. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Any doubt? D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Are you all getting the point? D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. How many have you got this? How many have you got this? Tell me. Very good, John. Very good. Nikesh, check. Yes, Divyesh, very good. Yes or no? Yes. Vidyal batch. I will be joining Vidyal batch. Don't worry. Lokesh, circle is very important. Ama. Okay, why the Puridara Babu in the condition apply panada. So in the white color equation, white color inequality separately, in the sky blue color inequality separate solve panna. In the condition vandiruchira. In the condition common ipidi varunda. Alpha comma beta interval ki venda. Idu vandu alpha, idu vandu beta. Correct? Yes or no? Alpha, beta. Purida ellarkum? Are you all understanding? Are you all happy? Yes or no? That's great. Next question polama. Are you all ready? Great sir. Okay, next. In the question part, so PQ and MN be two different straight lines touching the circle this at the point A and B respectively. O be the center of the circle and AOB is 𝜋/3 sir. Then the locus of the point of intersection of the lines PQ and MN. Tell me, how do we do this? How do we approach? Really very good question da. Really very good question da. First எப்படினா first வந்து circle கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? First let us draw one circle. Okay, one circle இப்படி இருக்கு. Okay, இந்த சர்க்கிளுக்கு two lines are intersecting. Okay, okay, look, what are the points da? Let's say PQ and MN line da. PQ and MN line, இது PQ line da. இந்த line name என்ன சார்? PQ, இது M, இது N sir, right? MN sir. Wow sir, இப்போ see, these two lines are touching the circle at what point? What are the points? A point and B point. Till this everyone is clear? Till this are you all clear with this diagram? Are you all clear with the diagram? Yes sir. Now இப்படி பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்படி இருக்கு sir. And basically circle ஓட center என்ன sir? What is the center? 2,3 2,3 is the center, correct? 2,3 இரண்டுமே ஜாயின் பண்ணா எப்படி சார் வரும்? இப்படி வரும். எஸ் ஆர் நோடா? Are you all getting the point? இப்படி வரும். புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Till this any doubt? Now OB the center. Okay, OB the center. Okay, இது O sir. OB the center and AOB, check angle AOB how much? 𝜋/3 sir. 𝜋/3 na, let me do one thing. Everybody look at the board. Everybody carefully பாருங்க. Everybody look at the board carefully. பாரு. This is blue color line sir. Correct? இப்போ AOB na, see, இது 90 obviously here. இது 90. Okay, AOB 30. Here 60 given. Sorry, 𝜋/3 is 60. அப்போ இது என்ன sir? 30. இது 30. Correct? 30 degrees. Can you all see that? Yes sir. Yes or no? Sir, now tell me what should I do? Radius and what is the radius here? What is the radius? Radius and what is the radius of the circle sir? What is the radius of the circle? Center வந்து 2,3 sir. So 4 plus 9 minus plus. So 60 means 4. Radius on the 4 sir. In the radius is 4. Correct? Radius on the 4 da, check. Radius is 4. So then the locus of the point of intersection of PQ, we need to find out locus of this fellow. Okay, PQ and MN line. PQ line, MN line are meeting at this point. In the point of locus கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். புரியுதா? In the point of locus கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Yes or no? Do you agree with my point? Triangle AO, let's say R. Let us say this PQR is the point on the R. Okay, let's say triangle AOR. From the triangle AOR, what can I apply? I know 30 degrees here. Can we apply cos 30? From triangle A was cos 30 na sir? Cos 30 degrees na. Guys, I am doing it very smartly. You need to do this question very smartly. Smartly panna paru. Adjacent by OR. Okay va? So tell me, cos 30 na sir? √3/2 sir. So 4 divided by OR sir. Appo OR enna irum sir? OR will be what sir? 8/√3. OR will be 8/√3. Do you agree with my point? OR will be 8/√3. Sir, how did you get? Today he is asking me to tell me the radius formula. Radius formula is G square plus F square minus C. C enna? C வந்து -3 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க questionல. Radius formula enna? Radius formula is this babu. Babu, exam is going to come up. You still are in learning radius formula. Enna urra thambi? Okay, please do learn the radius formula da chintu. Very basic question. Okay, right or not? OR is equal to 8/√3. OR is equal to 8/√3. Now actual OR enna sir? Actual OR enna? We are finding the locus of R. Appo R oda coordinates let us take h comma k. Since we are finding the locus of R, appo R oda coordinates enna side edukanu? H comma k edukanu. Yes or no? Because we are finding the locus of R. Appo locus of R, OR enna sir? OR distance theriyum sir. OR, OR, OR. Oh my goodness. OR distance enna sir? H minus 2 whole square Chintu. Chintu, listen the class la Chintu. Chintu, are you listening the class? Yes sir. Now squaring on both sides panna sare varum. A square plus B square minus 4H. A square plus B square minus 6K is equal to 64 by 3 sir. Okay va, 64 by 3 check. So 3 cross multiply panna 3H square, ultimately H will be replaced with X, K will be replaced with Y, ultimately that is the concept of locus, correct? So 3X square, I am replacing H with K, H with X, K with Y, correct? Yes or no? Yes sir. Next sir, minus 3 4 12 minus 12x minus 18y, correct? 13 plus how much now? 39 minus 64 minus 25, yeah. 39 64 how much now? Yes sir, this is the answer. This is the answer. C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. Any doubt? C for Chintu Baba is the right answer. Did you all get the point? Did you all understand? Are you all understanding? Purida, what I am doing? I am finding the locus of R. Locus of R. Coordinates of R one H comma K edakanu, because we are finding the locus of R. Okay. Appo OR distance at the gate by root vandiruchu. O ku R ku distance enna idu equate panna, we need to replace H with X, K with Y. Purida, locus concept theriyuma? Appadida kandipidikanum. Yes or no? So adu panna idu varum sir. Yes or no da? Yes or no? Tell me. Next question polama. Next question polama. Ready? That's great. That's great. That's great. Sir, Vidyalaya Chepo start agadu. Next month ra Ravi. Don't worry, Ravi. Okay. I'm moving from 10th to 11th. I'm going to write JEE 2028. Please tell which chapter I should start now. Kritika, you start with basic math, Kritika. You start with calculus. You start with basic math. Okay, wow. You start learning calculus part. Differentiation in integration in you start learning that. It helps you to understand physics. It helps you to understand mathematics as well. Okay, wow. Calculus start panna. Differentiation, integration you can start with. Okay, yes sir. Next polama. C for Chintu is matching. You can see this. C for Chintu Baba is matching. More next question polama. Yes sir. Wonderful question. Look at the board, guys. The 4 points, 4 distinct points. This line in a circle, radius R. Then this is equal to dash. Guys, mark my point. I can bet on this. This is 2025 question, sir. 2024 January 27 morning shift. In your question, you heard it right. You go and check. One of my student. Morning. She wrote the exam and she called me, sir. You said this question, sir. In my question, you were discussing the class and the question sir. Exactly the same question they just told me after writing the exam. Exactly the same, but numbers were changing, of course. But concept is same, okay. I still remember January 27 morning shift, same type of question have come. 2024 I'm talking about. 2025 vandiruchu pare. This is 2025. 2024 vandiruchu. Purida. 2026 also they ask this kind of question. So be careful. So 4 distinct points we have given with the. We need to understand. See guys, எப்போமே என்ன பண்ண தெரியுமா? See, these 3 points will form a right angle triangle, sir. Sir, how sir? அது எப்படி சார் உங்களுக்கு ஐடியா வந்துருச்சு பாரு. இதுக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் என்ன சார்? இதுக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் என்ன சார்? இதுக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் என்ன சார்? இதுக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் என்ன சார்? You understand my point, right? Are you getting the point or not? Hello, Chintu, are you understanding or not? இதுக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் என்ன? இதுக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இல்ல பாரு. இதுக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து √26 ஆ? இதுக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து √26 ஆ? இதுக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து √52. புரியுதா? Yes or no, Chintu, purida? Yes or no? This is easy question, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Now tell me here. Let me say this is A point, sir, which is 4,6. Okay. So now tell me, sir, this B point, which is -1,5. Let us say C point 0,0. So idiki distance and sir, what is the distance? AC distance is what? √52. Check. Idana sir √26, sir. Idana sir √26, sir. Okay. All these points are lying in a circle, sir, like this. Okay. All these points are lying in a circle. Chintu. Okay, so all these points are lying in a circle. So let me draw one, sir. All the points are lying like this. Please understand. Your circle, sir. Not looking like circle, sir. Not looking like circle, sir. Okay, but எப்படி நான் பண்றது? Wait, Chintu. Let me draw one circle. Okay, now we will write this. This is root 26. This one the b. What was that? Minus 1 comma 5. This one the root 26 only. Check. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Yes or no? இது 90 degrees are here. It should touch above. It should touch above. Okay, it is touching the circle. It is on the circle only. Okay. So now tell me guys, AC is the diameter here. எதுக்கு sir? Angle in semicircle. Either AC is the diameter here. AC is equal to diameter. AC is equal to diameter. So how do you write the equation of a circle? Diametric form. What is the diametric form? Tell me. Diametric form is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the diametric form. x1 y1 x2 y2. Purida. So x1 is 4, x2 is 0, y1 is 6 and y2 is 0 is equal to 0. Equation is sir, x square minus 4x y square minus 6y is equal to 0 sir. This is the circle sir. This is the circle sir. Okay wow. So now tell me here, and also there is another point called D sir. Delhi Baba. Our parent is Delhi Baba. D point is sir. K comma 3k is also lying on the circle. K comma 3k is also lying on the circle. Appo 3 k comma 3k illa podlama. Yes or no? From the star equation. Idana sir star equation. But star equation la potta enna varum? Star equation la potta enna varum? Star equation la k comma 3k pota. What I am going to get? K square minus 4k plus 9k square minus 18k is equal to 0. So tell me here 10k square minus 22k is equal to 0. So k could be either 0 or k could be either in. So k could be what? 11 by 5. Yes or no? 11 by 5. Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Are you getting the point? So but what they are asking us to find out? What they are asking us to find out? They are asking us to find out 10k plus r square. Appo r enna sir? What is the radius of the circle sir? What is the radius of the circle? Tell me da. What is the radius of the circle? Radius solano. From the star equation, radius eppadi sir? From the star equation, let me write here. From the star equation, what is the radius? Radius and center in first tell me. Center in 2 square 4, 3 square 9. That's it. Root 13 is the radius. Root 13 is the radius. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Root 13 is the radius or not? Tell me. Root 13 is the radius. So, oh my god. Okay. Root 13 is the radius, sir. Appo 10 into k. 0 value pota, k value 0 pota, 13 irka, 13 illa. So k value 0, we can take da. K value 0 also you can take. K value 0 also you take. If you take k value 0, what happens? 0, 0 varum da. B is also 0, 0. How come 2 points lie at the same point? Appo k cannot be 0 here. Purida. So you take k value as 11 by 5. So 11 by 5 pota, 11 divided by 5 plus r square and sir 13. Because radius on the root 13, the r square 13. So 5 ones, 5 twos. So 22 plus 30. No, the 35. 35. C for Chintu wala is the right answer. Are you all happy? Ready? Next question bolama. Root 52 by 2. Arunachalam enna root 52 by 2. Arunachalam enna root 52 by 2. Yes, Kaushik. Very good, Kaushik. You can get 99. Purida, next question polama. Are you all happy? Yes, lucky buddy, you can do it. That's great, Divyesh. This is the 2025 question, Divyesh. That's great, Divyesh. Very good. Sir, I am CBSE student. Yes, lucky buddy. Yes. You can still do it. Okay, wow. Next. Okay. So next question, let a circle C pass through the point this, and its center lies on this. then the length of the chord of the circle whose midpoint is given. This question is a very good question, a very famous. In the Mari question is very famous. Da. So we need to find out length of the chord when its midpoint is given. Find the locus of the midpoint of a chord, of a circle, of a parabola, of ellipse, and so on. This kind of questions is very famous, very trendy these days. Find the locus of the midpoint of a chord. Whenever you get this language, always we have to apply T is equal to S1 formula. But in the question of the question different. In the question of the question different. I'll be solving it very smartly. Look at the board. So in the question just smart solve panikla. FD sir. FD sir. Look at this Rachi. To look at the board everyone. Look at the board everyone. Sir, any advice for class 11th math? Udit, it is class 11th only Udit. It pari. It observe panni. I'll tell you later. Okay. Ninga daily practice parana Udit. Daily practice parana. Sir, why result not in air? Why result is not air? What are you saying? Okay. Okay guys, look. One point is what sir? Basically 0, 2 sir. Another point is what sir? 4, 2. Either point correct. Guys, if you observe this, y coordinate of this point was the 2, y coordinate of this point was the 2. Correct. And y coordinate same da. Apo line joining these 2 points, one horizontal line. Okay, that will be parallel to x-axis. Okay, so now let me take one midpoint of this 2 points. Midpoint, what is the midpoint? Midpoint is what that? 2, 2. 2, 2 is the midpoint. 2, 2 is the midpoint. 2, 2 is the midpoint. Tell me. Do you agree? 2, 2 is the midpoint or not? That 2, 2 is the midpoint. Edhik sir? Are babu 0 plus 4 by 2, 2 plus 2 by 2, which is 2, 2. Purida. Now tell me sir, any point you take on this, vertical line. In the vertical line, any point you take, and the point to the x coordinate kandipa 2 da irukanu. Are babu, x coordinate vandu 2 da. Any point you take, let me take a point here. The center lies on this dotted line. Why sir? Are babu, if I take this as a normal will pass through the center of the circle always. Now this vertical line is the vertical line passing through this green line, passing through the midpoint of this green line. Apo in the vertical line of x coordinate 2 sir, any point of x coordinate on this line, x is equal to 2 da. Think pari. Okay, sir, fine. Apo x coordinate of my center is definitely 2 sir. X coordinate of my center definitely 2 sir. Yes or no? X coordinate of my center is always 2 here. Yes or no? Yes sir. Now what they have given? They have given one more beautiful point. They have given one beautiful point. Error sir, point here. What is the point? Center lies on this line. 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 Let's say one line is like this. In the line, what name is sir? 3x plus 2y is equal to 2. Correct? Minus 2. Sorry, equal to minus 2. Okay, 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 2. Or else you can write it as plus 2 only. Okay, plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, the center lies on this line. Correct? Upper center of x coordinate is sir. Upon x coordinate in the port is varum. X coordinate pota, y coordinate varum varala. Soleno. Correct? Soleno. Make it fast. 6. 2y is equal to 6 plus 2. 8. 8 is equal to minus 8. So y is equal to minus 4. Correct? So y is equal to minus 4. Correct? Apo y coordinate is 2, minus 4. Dana. Babu, x coordinate epome 2 da. Y coordinate எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? இந்த x வேல்யூ இந்த லைன்ல போட்டா y வேல்யூ வந்துருமா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஏன் சார், உங்களுக்கு எப்படி ஐடியா வந்துருச்சு? அரே பாபு, இந்த சென்டர் லைஸ் ஆன் த லைன் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க பாரு. சென்டர் லைஸ் ஆன் திஸ் லைன். x கோஆர்டினேட் ஆஃப் தி சென்டர் என்ன? 2. அந்த 2 இங்க சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணா y = -4. புரியுதா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? வண்டர்ஃபுல் சார். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? எஸ் 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 எஸ். நவ எனக்கு சென்டர் வந்துருச்சு சார். சென்டர் வந்துருச்சு. நவ next part of the question என்ன? I found the center. I did all this drama to find out just center of the circle. In the full drama enna to find out the center of the circle. Okay sir. Ipo vandu then the length of the chord of the circle C whose midpoint. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the board Rachintu. Hello. Please look at the board. What we are finding? What we are finding? Everybody. Hello. Yes sir. Everybody look at the board. What are we finding? We are finding the length of the chord of the circle whose midpoint is 1, 2. Okay, so we are finding length of the chord whose midpoint is what sir? whose midpoint is what, sir? M, which is 1, 2. Purida, whose midpoint is 1, 2 given. Whose midpoint is what given? 2, 2, so 1, 2. Correct? Are you all understanding or not? Are you all understanding or not? So center of the circle is what, sir? Center of the circle is basically what I got? 2, minus 4 I got, sir. Okay, now join these two. Join these two. What is the midpoint given to us? Midpoint is given as 1, 2. Correct? 1, 2. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now let's say the PQ chord. Chord name is PQ. Okay, length of the chord we need to find out. Length of the chord can you find out this? What is the radius? What is this? Let us say center. Let's say center one O. OQ is what? Radius. What is the radius of the circle? What is the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle can you find out radius of the circle? Can we find out radius of the circle? What is the radius of the circle? Can anybody answer it? Are Babu, radius of the circle is the radius. Babu, look at the board. Chintu. Aha, yes sir. This is the radius. This is the radius. Tell me, this is the radius. Let's say A point, this is B point. Okay, this is the center, sir. O. Now tell me here, AO is the radius here. AO is the radius. AO is equal to radius. What is that, sir? Tell me. 4. 0 minus 2 whole square. 4 square. 4. 6. So root 40. Correct? Root 40 then is root 40, sir. Do you agree with my point? Do you all agree with my point? Do you all agree with my point? No. Udit Saran. Appadina kadayadala Udit Saran. Definitely no. Udit Saran enna solranga paru. Yes or no? Sir, how to find out the center? Center, see, x coordinate of the center and terinjich, because any point lies on this line will be 2. X coordinate of the point which lies on this vertical line epome 2. And the x value pota y value minus 4 on the 2, minus 4. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Root 40. OQ is root 40. OQ is root 40. That's great. Now tell me, sir, here what I need to find out? PQ length we need to find out. PQ we need to find out. PQ and sir, PQ is basically 2 times of MQ. Then, guys, in the PQ length, then 2 times of MQ or not? Do you agree with my point or not? Tell me. Do you agree with my point? Okay, what is MQ? Tell me. In the point, what is this distance? OK, MQ distance and OM distance. What is OM here? What is OM distance? OM distance how much? OK, MQ distance how much? 2 minus 1 whole square, 1, and root 37. This one the root 37. Do you agree with my point? OK, MQ distance root 37. Per mind calculate per. Okay, OQ distance, sir. OQ distance, OQ is radius basically, and the radius AO is radius. Here that AO is OQ here. Purida. Okay, radius 40. Now, can't you find out MQ? MQ and sir, what is MQ here? Tell me. What is MQ? Tell me. By using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to MQ square plus OM square. So 40 is equal to MQ. MQ and sir, MQ da kandipidikanu. MQ da kandipidikanu. OM square is 37. So MQ square and sir, MQ and sir, root 3. MQ is root 3. So 2 into root 3 is the answer. PQ is what? 2 root 3. 2 root 3. See for Chintu. Any doubts? Any doubts? Did you all understand? Did you all understand how smartly we did this question? How smartly we did this? How smartly we did this? Are TV ke babu. Inda nee TV ke TV ke podrenga. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me guys. Any doubts? Do you agree with my point? Any doubts here? ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம்டா. போலாமா? Yes or no? Tell me guys. Do you have any doubt here? Do you have any doubt here? Do you have any doubt? I want everybody to focus on this question. Such a fantabulous question. Such a fantabulous question. Okay. Udit Saran, none of them. Sir, Vedantu JEE Vaathi sir, 11th portion start pannava illa 12th portion start pannava sir. Darshana, we will be uploading the content after the JEE. Every content will be uploaded. Okay. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes sir. That's great. That's great. Beautiful question. Idena sir? This was a beautiful question. Beautiful question. Okay, this is a beautiful question. Everybody should learn this, right? Okay. Next question. Vaathi. So let a circle C of radius 2 lies on the second quadrant and touches both the coordinate axes, right? Let R be the radius of circle that has center at the point 2, 5. Wow. And it intersects the circle C exactly 2 points. The set of all possible values of R in the interval is, guys, this is homework to you all. This is a homework to you all. We already did this. We already did this kind of question. Every sir, I'll draw the diagram, you have to do it. Okay, I will draw the diagram, you have to do it. What they have given? So in the second quadrant, circle C of radius 2 lies in the second quadrant. Okay, radius 2, it lies in the second quadrant. Yes or no, tell me. Lies in the second quadrant. Okay, so oh my god, please understand, this is the center, minus 2, 2, radius 2, and it is intersecting intersecting another circle exactly 2 points, but this is intersecting another circle like this. Okay, whose center is basically what? 2, 5. Okay, so what I need to apply? Same logic I need to apply. R1 minus R2 lesser than C1 C2 lesser than R1 plus R2. Purida? Are you all understanding or not, guys? Are you all understanding or not? Answer will be, see, you all have to do this. You will get the answer. Check. I know the R1. Okay, I know another circle. Whose radius is basically what? R. Okay. So what is R1 here? R1 is basically 2, sorry, here 2. This is 2. This is 2. This is 2, sir. In the radius 2, in the radius R. Center 1 theriyum, center 2 theriyum. You apply this, you will get the answer. Masa. You have to do this. In the question, in the question, you solve. Ready? In the question, you have to do this. I explained you the question. Please do by yourself. Okay? Oh my god. Okay? Yes. So option D will be the answer for this question. Okay? Next. Arey babu, image concept is very simple da. Image enada? Image enak theriyum da. Okay ba? Image vandu romba simple da na. Image ena sir? Image pathina. If the image of this point minus 4, 5 lie, in the line this lies on the circle. Arey Chintu, lies on the circle this. Okay, image of this point let us say minus 4, 5. In the image, in the pointed image, what is that line? X plus 2y is equal to 2. Okay, there is some image here. Okay, in the P dash is alpha, beta. This alpha, beta lies on what? Lies on the circle. Circle in what circle is that? Lies on the circle x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square. Okay, so image eppadi kandipidikirom? Enna sir formula? Image enna sir? X enna sir? Alpha here. Okay, alpha minus 4 divided by a enna 1 is equal to beta minus 5 divided by b enna 2 is equal to minus 2 times of ax1 in the point idla podunga avladha. So 10 minus 2 divided by square root vadakudadu. Okay, so alpha value pari, alpha by 4 is by 1, beta minus 5 divided by 2 is equal to, okay, minus 6, 4 minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5, correct? Minus 8 by 5, correct? Yes or no? Appo x value enna savarum? Alpha value enna savarum? Alpha value enna? 8 minus 8 by 5 minus 4 minus 28 by 5. Minus 28 by 5. Check. Beta enna sir? So minus 16 by 5 plus 5. So plus 9 by 5. Correct? Plus 9 by 5. Are you all getting the point? Mind the calculate panada. Plus 9 by 5. I am doing the calculation in the mind. Please look at the board. I am just equating these two. Equate rendu. In the rendu equate panna alpha varum beta varum. Alpha comma beta lying on this circle. Appo radius kandipidikanum. Do it by yourself now. Purida? Are you all getting the point? Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me guys. Appo option A will be the answer. Na solradhu purida, in the point to image வந்து இதுடா, this is lying on this circle da. Okay, இது எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? Direct formula x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. இது already we learnt in the straight lines da, we learnt in the 3D geometry da, we learnt many times da. Okay வா? So alpha beta வந்துருச்சு சார். இதுல போட்டா r value will be 2 சார். நீங்க பண்ணனுடா. சரியா? A for Ahmedabad, Arunachalam. Yes, 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 yes. Sir, you are old student. Abhishek, welcome. What is your name, Abhishek? Abhishek only, sir. Abhishekaya Namaha. Oh ho. Look at the board. Let the circles. This touch each other externally at the point this. If the point this divides the line segment joining the centers of the circle C1 and C2 internally in the ratio 2:1, then the touch is there externally. Okay, then this is equal to dash. Okay, good question da. Again one more beautiful question. இப்படி பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு எப்படி இருக்குடா, two circles touching externally. Okay வா, externally two circles are touching, externally two circles are externally touching like this. Wow, Anna, wow. Oh my god, look at the board, everyone. Hello. Yes sir, two circles are touching externally like this. அப்போ இது வந்து C1 சார், சர்க்கிள் நேம் வந்து தெரியாது சார். இது சென்டர் A, இது சென்டர் B சார். சென்டர் A என்ன சார்? ஆல்பா காமா மைனஸ் பீட்டா சார். ஓகே, சென்டர் B என்ன சார்? 8 காமா 15/2 சார். இப்போ ரேடியஸ் வந்து என்ன சார்? ரேடியஸ் இது என்ன சார்? R2, இது ரேடியஸ் 2, இது என்ன சார்? R1. They are touching at what point? R comma R. I mean 6 comma 6. Okay, so and see, if the point 6 comma 6 divide the line segment joining C1 C2, I'll draw the rough diagram here. This one the C1 da, this one the C2 da. Okay va, there is one point P, our name P da, that is 6 comma 6. This P dividing this C1 C2 வந்து in 2:1 ratio. பாரு நல்லா பாரு. See, C1 C2 getting divided by P in 2:1 ratio. P and 6 comma 6. Okay va, 6. Okay, C1 illa sir, idu A center na, center B. Okay, A point enna sir? Alpha comma minus beta dana, A point alpha comma minus beta dana. B point enna sir? 8 comma 15/2. Okay, so internal division formula apply pannalama. So 6 comma 6 is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n is equal to 6. Then m by 2 plus n by 1 divided by m plus n is equal to 6. Are you getting the point? So 18, alpha is 2 here, beta na sir? So 18, 3, 6, 18 minus 3, 18 minus 3, beta is equal to minus 3. I'm getting alpha is 2, beta is minus 3. 2 comma minus 3 correct? 2 comma minus 3 correct? Please check the calculation. Okay guys, I think it should be minus only here. Here it should be minus only. Please check. This should be minus only here. This is y minus beta. That otherwise it will be wrong. Otherwise, it is minus only. If you take minus here, this will be plus. Then this will be plus. Okay. Alpha comma beta is plus. Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Are you getting the point? Oh my god. Guys, you take it as minus here. Purida. You take this as minus da. Okay. You take this as minus. Let me. If you take minus, what happens? This will be alpha comma beta. Then beta will be what? 3 sir. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Karuppa Swami. Thank you. Okay. Alpha beta vandirucha appo enna? A enna sir? Alpha comma beta sir. A vandina alpha comma beta. Vah. Idu 2 comma 3 sir vandiruchu. Appo enna sir? Enakku alpha beta vandiruchu, radius enna? Are babu 2 comma radius one enna? What is radius one? Tell me now. Radius one enna? Idu point P da. Okay, so radius 1 is what? Radius 1 is what? This point P. Okay, so radius 1 is what? Radius 1 is equal to AP. AP is what? Distance between these 2 points. 2 minus 4, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 is equal to 5, sir. For radius 2 sir, PB. PB radius sir, PB. So calculate panda. 8 minus 6, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 square, 4. So this minus 3. So 9 by 4. Correct? 12 minus 15 minus 3 by 2, which is 9 by 4. Yes or no? So 5 by 2 is the radius here. Check. Radius 2 5 by 2, sir. Radius 1 வந்து 5, radius 2 வந்து 5 by 2. எல்லாமே இதில் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ண என்ன சார் வரும்? இதில் எல்லாமே சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ண ஆல்ஃபா என்ன சார் 2, பீட்டா என்ன சார் 3 ப்ளஸ் 4 times of r1 square. r1 square means what sir? 25. r2 square என்ன சார் 25 by 4. ஓகேவா? இது வந்து 5 plus 4 into 125 by 4. 4 cancel. 130 is the answer. 130. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Guys, this should be minus only. Please take this as minus. Correct only. Answer matching. 130 is the right answer. Da. Tell me any doubts here. Tell me any doubts. Tell me any doubts. Are you all understanding? Ama 6, Ray, I'm applying internal division formula. Da. So point theriyum, P theriyum. They have given it. A point and I just found it. AP is radius 1, PB is radius 2, radius 1, radius 2, alpha, beta எல்லாமே வந்துருச்சு. ஆன்சர் வரும்டா கண்டிப்பா. Yes or no? Tell me. புரியுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? Did you all get the point? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Great. Next question போலாமா? Next question போலாமா? Are you all ready? That's great. Very good, very good. Zone, Divyesh, very good. Very good. Totally Sid YT. Totally Sid YT. Very good. Next time. Next பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு. Sir, a circle is inscribed in equilateral triangle of side of length 12 if the area and perimeter of any square inscribed in the circle are m and n respectively, then m plus n square enna. Wow. Beautiful question, sir. Everybody look at the board. Everybody look at the board. Okay. One circle இப்படி சார். ஒரு circle, I mean ஒரு triangle ஒரு circle இப்படி இருக்குடா. Okay. ஒரு triangle இப்படி ஒரு circle இருக்கு. Okay. Okay, இப்படி ஒரு circle. Yes or no? Are you all getting the point? Is that clear with everyone? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Inside this circle there is one square. Inside this circle there is one square. Okay, இப்படி ஒரு square இருக்குடா. Okay, this is what the exact information they have given. Sorry, read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Okay, let's triangle name என்ன sir? Triangle name தெரியாது sir. Triangle name you can take it as ABC, no problem. Triangle name is what sir? Let's say A, இது B, இது C sir. Each side of the triangle is sir 12. Equilateral triangle sir 12 sir. And the area of the square inscribed in the circle. Okay, what is area of the square? Area of the square enna? Area of the square. Okay, let me say this is A, this is also going to be a square na, all the sides will be equal. Appo radius area of the square enna? A square sir. A square fine sir. Appo you have this. Check everybody. Hello. Everybody look at the board. Hello. People look at the board. In the dotted line enna sir? What is this dotted line here? This is the center of the circle sir. This is the center of the circle sir. Okay. Appo this is what is this sir? Radius, I mean diameter sir. Diameter. Then this is going to be what sir? 2r. Correct or not? Ray Babu, புரியுதா நான் சொல்றது? Yes or no? இது A, total diameter na 2r. Diameter 2r தானா? Radius plus radius. You tell me now. அப்போ A square is going to be what sir? What is A square is going to be? Tell me here by using Pythagoras theorem. A square plus A square is equal to 4r square தானா? அப்போ 2A square is equal to 4r square. Okay, A square is equal to 2 times of r square. Okay, A is equal to what? Root 2 times of r. Correct? A is equal to root 2 times of r. Appo A square என்ன sir? A square வந்து 2r square. A square வந்து 2r square. Okay, fine sir. அப்போ area வந்துருச்சு sir. Next perimeter. Perimeter of the square என்ன? perimeter of the square, perimeter of the square. Okay, area of the square. The perimeter of the square is 4 times of A. Appo 4 into A enna root 2 times of R. Appo R theriyadu. R theriyadhukku what we need to find out in radius formula. Yes or no? We know that in radius formula. In radius formula is sir delta divided by S. What is delta here? Area of the triangle da. In radius formula you might have studied in the straight lines da. Okay va? In radius na enna triangle kulla irukka circle oda radius. Triangle kulla circle irukka and the circle oda radius is in radius. And the formula enna delta by S. Delta enna area of the triangle. Area of the triangle enna root 3 by 4 side square correct ah? நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? Area of the triangle enna root 3 by 4 side square. Root 3 by 4 A square formula. A enna side. புரியுதா? Side of the triangle. Okay. Divided by S. S means what? Semi perimeter. What is this da? இது வந்து semi perimeter da. Semi perimeter. Okay, semi perimeter. Semi perimeter means what? 12. Idu 12 da. Okay va? Semi perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle enna sir? What is the perimeter of the triangle da? Perimeter of the triangle enna? Perimeter of the triangle is 36. Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of, you can say semi perimeter. What is this da? Semi perimeter is yes. Okay, semi perimeter means what? 36 divided by 2, which is 18. Which is 18. Okay, semi perimeter. Let me write this. Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Yes. So, இது வந்து 18 sir. 18 தானா? Okay. Sir, இப்போ correct calculate பண்ணா, so everybody look at the board. Root 3, 12 square means 144 sir. 144 divided by 4 into 18, which is 72 sir. 72 ones, 72 twos. 72 ones, 72 2 times. 72 ones, 72 2. 72 1, 72 2. So 2 root 3 is the radius. What is the radius da? Radius is equal to 2 root 3. So everything else substitute here. That's it. 2 times of 2 root 3 whole square. 2 root 3 times of whole square. So 4 into root 2 into 2 root 3. Purida? What is this? 2 root 3 means what sir? 4, 4, 12. 12 ah? Yes or no? 12 into 2, 24. 24. Okay. What is this sir? 8 root 6. 8 root 6. Okay va? Sir, எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு சார். சார் இப்போ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா area of the perimeter they are denoting with what? M. Area is M, perimeter வந்து என்ன? This is equal to M, this is equal to N. That's it. முடிச்சிராடே. M plus N square என்ன சார்? M plus N square என்ன சார்? 24 plus N square. N square means what? 64 into 6. 64 into 6 how much Dutch into? 64 into 6. Will you take CS? என்னடா ரே தம்பி? Will you take CS? Brand dreams. Okay. So 64 into 6 சொல்லணும் கரெக்டா? 384 ஆ? 64 into கரெக்ட் தானே இது? 64 into 6. ஆமா 384. Okay. 384 னா 408 is answer. 408 is answer. 408 எங்க இருக்குடா? Option A for Ahmedabad. Are you all getting the point? That's great. Any doubt? Very good Sanjit. Sir, can call me Sid. Totally Sid. Okay Sid. No. Divyesh. இது straight lines la already நீங்க பாத்திருப்பீங்கடா. Guys, இது in radius formula நீங்க already படிச்சிருப்பீங்கடா. Straight lines la very important ra babu. அந்த formula very important. In radius formula is ரொம்ப important. Okay வா? Tell me, any doubts? Did you all get the point? Next question போலாமா? Very good Priyanka. Lenath, very good da. Right. Where is Lingesh? Lingesh is not joining. Okay? Yes sir. Next question. Circle C1 and C2 having center at this. C1 is that, C2 having center is this, radius 2. The line of a common chord of the C1 and the C2 intersects the y-axis at the point P. Then the square of the distance of the P from the center 1 is dash. Very good question da. Let's see how many of you are going to do this. It's a beautiful question. guys, this is a beautiful question. So first time கேக்குற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு சார். சஞ்சித் first time கேக்குற மாதிரி இருக்கா? என்னடா என்ன first time கேக்குற மாதிரி இருக்கு? புரியல சஞ்சித். How to find out radius? No sir, how to find out radius? அரே சிண்டு, how to find out radius? பாரு, இந்த ஃபார்முலாடா, இது டெல்டா பை எஸ் டா. இன் ரேடியஸ் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்றதுக்கு பாரு, இந்த ரேடியஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு ஃபார்முலா என்ன? டெல்டா பை எஸ். டெல்டானா ஏரியா ஆஃப் த ட்ரையாங்கிள், எஸ்னா செமி பெரிமீட்டர் ஆஃப் த ட்ரையாங்கிள். பெரிமீட்டர் ஆஃப் த ட்ரையாங்கிள் என்ன? 12 + 12 24, 24 + 12 36, 36/2 பண்ணா 18 வரும் சார். அதுதான் எஸ். புரியுதா? அப்போ ரேடியஸ் கால்குலேட் பண்ணா எனக்கு 2√3 வந்துருச்சு. அந்த ரேடியஸ் இங்க போடணும். இப்போ ஏரியா ஆஃப் த ஸ்கொயர் வந்து m கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, பெரிமீட்டர் ஆஃப் த ஸ்கொயர் வந்து n கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. m + n² போட்டா 408 வரும். புரியுதா? Divyesh, you need to remember this, Babu. Guys, in radius formula you can remember da. Very simple da. You can remember. Okay, in the time you can remember it. You have no other go now. Ninga proof panna thevilla da. Just try to remember it. It's very useful. Okay, next question pola da. Time waste illa. Sir, in the question pathina C1 C2 are basically what da? Having a common center. Okay, that's great. Good question, guys. Guys, how many of you know from looking at this I am able to remember one point? Enna points are there? Guys, C1 C2 both are having one common chord. C1 ku C2 ku or common chord irukkuda. And the common chord enna sir? The common chord enna sir? Idu or common chord, correct? Idu or common chord. Correct? Idu or common chord. Guys, this common chord is basically what, sir? The common chord is basically radical axis. Do you agree with my point? This is the radical axis. What is the radical axis, sir? This is C1 circle, sir. This is C2 circle, sir. Radical axis எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? The formula என்ன radical axis க்கு? இந்த circle minus இந்த circle is equal to 0. அப்படி பண்ணா common chord or radical axis will come. புரியுதா? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you agree with my point? Yes or no, people tell me. Very good. Very good. Now C1 enna sir? What is C1? Tell me. C1 circle enna sir? What is C1 circle? C1 x² plus y² minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 sir. அப்போ C2 C1 ஓட சென்டர் என்ன sir? C1 ஓட சென்டர் வந்து let's say C1 ஓட சென்டர் வந்து A, அது வந்து 1,1 sir. Okay, C2 ஓட சென்டர் they have given sir -1,0 sir. Please rough diagram da. இது வந்து rough diagram. சரியா? Okay. Or else you can take it as no problem. Accurate diagram enna you can take it as like this. I'll tell you. Idu vandu C1, idu vandu C2. Okay va? Idu enna sir? -1,0. Okay, let's say A point. Idu center B, which is 1,1. Okay va? Idu. Okay va? Are you all understanding or not? Is that clear, people? Is that clear with everyone? Are you all understanding or not? Hello. Yes sir. Check. Okay, radius 1 is what? What is the radius 1? Radius 1 table sir. C2 they have given sir. Appo common chord. Common chord is what sir? Common chord is what sir? Common chord. What is common chord sir? C1 minus C2 is equal to 0. C1 minus C2 is equal to 0. Appo C2 circle equation sir. What is radius 2 sir? They have given radius 2 here. Okay, appo C2 oda radius enna? C1 oda radius C1 oda radius is 2 sir. Okay, yes sir. For C1 oda radius enna? What is the radius 1? Tell me what is the radius 1 da? Your radius enna? 1 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, idu 1. Okay va? Yes or no? In the radius 1, in the radius 2. Correct? Yes or no? Arunachalam, it's okay Arunachalam. Now you heard it right. Now you learnt it right. Ipo paathuko. Okay. For C2 oda radius they have given. Ready? C1 minus C2 enna sir? Appo C2 circle equation enna sir? C2 circle equation enna? X minus, C2 circle equation, let me write here. Center theriyum, radius theriyum da. C2 oda circle, C2 oda equation enna? X plus 1 whole square, y square is equal to radius square, which is 4. A square plus B square plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Correct? For C2 equation I am writing here. This is C2 da. This is C2 circle 2. Okay va? So C1 minus C2 panna So x is இது minus இது பண்ணா பாரு x square cancel ஆயிரும்டா. So minus 2x minus 4x minus 2y அங்க 2 அங்க y term கிடையாது. So minus 2y தான் இருக்கும். So 1 minus of minus so plus 4. Correct? Did everyone get this? I'm taking minus common. I'm taking minus 2 common. So 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Did everyone get this point? 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Yes or no? This is the common chord. They have given that this intersects y-axis. Check. The common chord intersecting the y-axis. Common chord வந்து intersecting the y-axis. அப்போ x value 0 போடணும். Yes or no? X-axis. Guys, it intersecting y-axis means x value 0 தானா? அப்போ x value 0 போட்டா என்ன சார் வரும்? So y is equal to 2 தானா? அப்போ point P என்ன சார்? Therefore point P என்ன? X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Check. Guys, in the common chord intersecting the y-axis at point P. அப்போ point P என்ன? 0, 2 தானா? புரியுதா? Yes or no? How 1, 1 எப்படி 1, 1? Hello, madam, in the radius எப்படி இந்த center என்ன பிரியங்கா? Center 1 of the circle 1, 1 பாரு. எப்படி center find out பண்ணனும்? minus 2y. Center minus g, minus f. இந்த சர்க்கிளோட சென்டர் வந்து minus g, minus f ஃபார்முலா. அப்போ அது போட்டா 1, 1 வரும். 1, 1 அப்படி வந்துருச்சு பிரியங்கா. Okay? Yes or no? So now what they are asking, point P தெரியும் சார். Center 1 என்ன சார்? Center 1 என்ன 1, 1. So point P க்கு B க்கு distance they are asking. To find. What to find? To find என்ன? To find. Point P க்கு B க்கு distance. Tell me. PB ஓட square they are asking. To find என்ன சார்? To find வந்து PB square சார். PB square என்ன சார்? Point P க்கு B க்கு distance. B வந்து center of C1. Check. C1 ஓட center. Okay வா? P க்கு B க்கு distance என்ன? Point P வந்து 0, 2. So square பண்ணா. So tell me 1 minus 0 1 square 1 minus 1 1 square. Okay, இதுக்கு square. Answer 2 sir. Oh, C wala Chintu. C for Chintu is the right answer. Any doubt? Tell me. Any doubts da babu? Any doubts? Sir, how you found common chord? Adi formula da. Common chord for two circle can be a radical axis. Guys, see, நீங்க எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, I will be giving handwritten notes of circles and all the chapters, and the drive or link I will be putting in the chat box. Please, someone of you please text me, someone of you remind me in the chat box saying, sir, handwritten notes. I'll put the drive link of handwritten notes in the description, chat box. Sariya? So you all can just go through that and you will understand what I'm trying to say. So radical axis properties have given, okay, tangents, normals, nature of two circles, length of tangent, length of, all the formulas have given. Okay, area of the triangle, whatever the details required for the circle, everything I just wrote it in the A4 sheets and will be uploaded in the Telegram, description. Not only for circles, remaining chapters of coordinate geometry as well I have written, and then I'll be uploading it. Okay people, yes or no? Next polama. Next. Everybody try this. Yes. Sid, yes. How you found common chord? Arunachalam, that's what I'm telling Arunachalam. Again, you are asking the same. How I found common chord? That's what I'm saying, Thambi. Okay. Let a circle C of radius 1 closer to the origin such that the lines passing through the point this and this and parallel to the coordinate axis touch it. Guys, in-depth question. Read this carefully. Then the shortest distance of the circle C from the point 5, 5 enna. Okay, sir. Sir, there is one circle, sir, like this. Oh my God. Okay, this is the coordinate axis. there is one circle. The line passing through 3 comma 2, this x is equal to 3 line. Okay, x is equal to 3 line. Let me, x is equal to 3 line, is y is equal to 2 line. Okay, there is one circle touching this, there is one circle touching this. Okay guys, okay, there is one circle touching like this. Okay, let a circle C of radius 1 closer to the origin. Okay, your radius is sir, your radius is sir, your radius is basically 1 sir, your radius is 1, such that see it touches, this circle touches the lines passing through 3 comma 2. This one the 3 comma 2 da, this one the 3 comma 2. This circle touches the lines which passes through 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 means what? X is equal to 3 line, y is equal to 2 line. It is a 3 comma 2. This circle touches the lines which passes through 3 comma 2, which are parallel to coordinate axis. Check. This is y axis, this is x axis. This line is parallel to y axis, this line is parallel to x axis. Read the question. Okay, and touches, then the shortest distance of the circle is 3. Then the shortest distance of the circle C from the point 5 comma 5 enna. Okay, from the point 5 comma 5 enna. Okay, so in the circular distance, from the point comma, okay, 5 comma 5 would be somewhere here. 5 comma 5 would be somewhere here. Let me use pink color. Okay, 5 comma 5 would be somewhere here. Okay, in the point. You understand my point? So we need to find out this distance. Which distance? This distance. We need to find out this distance in the distance. Okay, tell me, in the shortest distance na kadipidikano. In the distance da? In the shortest distance. Let me use green. Yeah. Okay, we need to find out this shortest distance. This distance. In the circle in the point distance enna. Na solradhu purida ellarkum. In the 5 comma 5 the circle shortest distance in the circle to in the 5 comma 5 distance enna. Adu kandupidikiradhukku, can I do this da? Can I do this? Can I extend this? This is also radius na. This is center, let's say C. This is point P. This is one the point P. Okay, let me say this is point P. Okay, okay, this one the radius which is 1 here. Radius is 1. So to find out the CP da, to find out the CP, okay, so we need to find out CP. This is the point sir, this is 3 comma 2, so this is the point, let's say A point. This is A point, this is A point rathambi, this A kadiyad, this in the green color point is A point. Okay, so CP is equal to radius plus AP dana. What I need to find out? To find AP da kandipidikano. So CP minus R panna answer varum, that's it. CP enna C to this center of the circle enna sir? Yes or no? What is the center of the circle? What is the center of the circle? Theriyadu sir. Theriyadu. So simply I need to find out CP minus R, but center theriyade. Center theriyade. Yes or no? But center I know actually. Can I find out center now? Can we find out center? You tell me. I can find out center na. Total distance 3 da. This 1 da. Appo x coordinate na sir. 2 da na. Are Babu, are you getting the point or not? Tell me. This one the 2 da. This one the 2. This one the 1. Are you getting the point? This length is 2. This length will be 1. Total 3. Yes or no? Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Are Babu, this 1. Total 3 distance. Appo this x coordinate of center na 2 da na. Appo y coordinate na. Total 2 da. This 1 da. 1. Yes or no? In the total one, everybody look at the board. In the total distance. In the total distance one 2. Adla radius 1. In the radius the 1. Okay. Appo this eval distance y coordinate oda, I mean center oda y coordinate 1 da irukano. Purida. Are you all understanding or not? Tell me. Is that clear with everyone, people? This is total 3 sir. This is total 3. 3 la radius 1. Appo remaining distance na 2. So x coordinate of the center 2, y coordinate of the center 1. Okay, 2 comma 1 is the radius. So center. So 2 comma 1 to 5 comma 5 distance how much da? 2 comma 1 to 5 comma 5 distance how much? Okay, shortest distance they are asking us to find, right? CP now, what is CP? Tell me. CP are 2, so 3, 9. 5 minus 2 whole square, 3 square, 9. So 5 minus 1 whole square, 16, which is 5, sir. Okay, up radius, sir? Radius, CP is 5 here. CP is 5. Okay, let me write CP here. CP is 25, which is 5. So 5 minus. So AP is basically what, sir? 4. This is the answer. 4 is the answer. B for balle balle. Any doubts? B for balle balle is the right answer. Any doubt? Did you get the point? Hey Babu, C varadu. C varadu. B for balle balle is the right answer. Eppadi purida? Guys, we need to find out shortest distance between the 5, 5 and circle. Guys, are you understanding or not? Guys, in the circle touching this 3, 2 point, circle is touching the lines x is equal to 3 and y is equal to, what do you say, 2. Now, in the circle 2, in the point shortest distance, we need to find out AP. This A, Babu. This A. Everybody look at the board. This A. This A. In the point A. This is not A. This is A. A is some point in the circle. Okay, A peak distance we need to find out. And the AP eppadi varum? CP la radius subtract panna AP thana varum. CP la radius subtract panna AP thana varum. Check, that is what I wrote here. CP la radius subtract panna AP varum. So AP on the 4. Purida? Yes or no? Purida? Excellent explanation. Thank you, Priyanka. Next question polama. Bombay Bazaar. Oh my goodness. Question paakradhukku romba perusa irukida. Takatak, fatafat panikalama. Great, sir. Yes. Guys, this kind of questions are very important. Okay. It was very important. Hello everyone. Hello Chintu. You mark my words. This question again came in the year of 2024, January 27 morning shift or afternoon shift. Purida? Yes or no? Did you all understand this? Yes or no? Sir, I'm going now, sir. I will study organic and watch this offline, sir. Okay. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, guys. Now tell me, the locus of the midpoint of the chords of the circle, this, drawn from the origin, intersect the line this at P and Q, then the length of PQ. And this, believe me, this is very important. Okay, whenever we are asked to find locus of the midpoint of locus of the midpoint of the chord of the circle, concept in the we are finding the equation of the chord when midpoint is given. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, wow. Okay, whenever the midpoint of the locus, whenever we need to find out locus of the midpoint of the chord, formula T is equal to S1 apply parano. T is equal to S1 apply panna, you will be getting the answer. But I'll teach you in a different manner. So, eppadi sir pandrathu? First apply pandradhukku T is equal to S1 formula apply pandradhukku we will do one thing. Midpoint enakku theriyadhu. Midpoint you take it as h comma k or anything. Okay. So let us take the midpoint of the chord as this. Everybody look at the board, guys. You all have to listen to the class carefully. If you don't listen the class, it will be very difficult. Very difficult to understand. Purida. Okay. So this is the chord. This is the chord. Circle or center, sir. Center. 0, 1. Correct? 0, 1. Okay. So we don't know what is the midpoint here, right? Let's say midpoint as we are finding locus, right? So let us take it as h comma k. Midpoint of the locus is h comma k. 1 now. Sir, you tell me. Okay. So which is from the origin? So locus is drawn from the origin. Okay. Locus is drawn from the origin. So, right? Locus is drawn from the origin. Or else chord is drawn from the origin. Check. The locus of the midpoints of the chord of the circle drawn from the origin intersect the line x plus y is equal to 1. We need to find out locus and the locus is intersecting this line at P and Q. Locus intersecting this line at P and Q and the locus and the locus formula T is equal to S1 formula. Correct? Yes or no? So circle equation. Now what is circle? Guys, beautiful question. Please listen to the class. Circle equation. What is the circle equation?
x square plus y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to 1. 1 1 1 1 x square plus y square minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the circle equation, correct? So center in 0 comma 1 and the radius is basically 1 only. Sir, fine. Now t is equal to s1 formula is sir, formula to find out locus of the chord when midpoint is given to us. Formula na t is equal to s1. T means what? Tangent equation. So we need to replace x square with x1, correct? X1, y square will be replaced with y1 minus 2 into y will be replaced with y plus y1 by 2. S1 means what? In the point substitute pannu. Purida? Okay va? So h square plus k square minus 2k. Guys, t means tangent equation. So to write that, we need to replace x square with x1, y square with y by 1. Y will be replaced with y plus y1 by 2. Okay, s1 na in the point is the circle pota s1 will come. Okay, so now in the 2 cancel ayunda x1 and h comma k right? hx ky minus 2 cancel achiliya, so k plus, okay, yes or no? K plus, sorry, y plus k, right? Sorry, my bad, y plus y, both are same only anyway. Okay, h square plus k square minus 2k. Okay, since we are finding locus, we need to replace what one now? We need to replace h with x and k with y. Okay, replace panna x square plus y square minus 2y is equal to x square plus y square minus 2y will come, correct or not? T is equal to s1. T is equal to s1 panna ipdi varuda. Is that clear? Is there any calculation mistake? Please check. X square plus minus 2y I made a mistake. Any mistake here? No sir, correct da, correct only. But actually listen the class. This is the chord equation given, right? This is passing through what? This is passing, drawn from the origin. Yes or no? Since this is given as drawn from the origin, 0 comma 0 substitute panna, 0 comma 0 substitute panna is varum. 0 comma 0 substitute panna, what will you get? Tell me. 0 comma 0, if I substitute, what I am going to get? Tell me. X plus 0, y plus 0. So 0 minus k is equal to h square plus k square minus 2k, correct? Yes or no? Tell me. H square plus k square minus k is equal to 0. Do you agree with my point? Yes or no? Yes or no? This is the locus I am getting. X square plus y square. Yes or no? This is the locus. So replace this h with x, k with y. This is the locus. Are you getting the point? Guys, finding the locus of the midpoint of the chord. Finding the locus of the midpoint of the chord when midpoint is given is what formula T is equal to S1. T means what? Replacement method. Replacing x square with x1, y square with y by 1. Okay. And y will be replaced with what? Y plus y1 by 2. Purida, in the circle, we need to replace x square with x1, y square with y by 1. Y will be y plus 1 by 1 by 2. Okay. S1 means in the midpoint is the okay, wow. In the midpoint is the sir. So simplify panna, they are saying that this chord is drawn from the origin. Check. The chord is drawn from the origin, which means on the origin is lying on the chord. On the origin is lying on the chord. Yes or no? So this origin pota, and the locus origin pota, x will be replaced with 0, y will be replaced with 0. And the pota is the locus. Now this is the locus. Now in the locus intersecting, check. In the locus intersecting x plus y line at p comma q. In the locus is intersecting x plus y. Okay, wow. Appo in the diagram mudinchi. This is old diagram, pulsar diagram. Now pudu diagram is pudu diagram na. See the locus. What is this? In the locus, now locus is basically what? circle only, check. In the circle, the locus is a circle, the circle equation only. Yes, sir. So locus is circle only I got. Now that is intersecting the x plus y line. That is intersecting what? X plus y line. Okay, x plus y line. What at what point? At P point and Q point. This line x plus y is equal to one line. Okay, wow. What is this locus? X square plus y square minus y is equal to 0. Tell me, what is this P point and Q point? You tell me now. What is the P point and Q point? Appo point of intersection of this line and circle is what P and Q is. Appo in the line in the circle solve panna P and Q varuma varada. And the PQ length only they are asking. The length of PQ they are asking. P point Q point eppadi varum? P point Q point eppadi varum? In the line in the circle rendume solve panna PQ varum. And rendume careful solve panna. Solve these two. Solve these two. Eppadi? I will solve it here. X square plus y square minus y. Minus y means what? What is y from this? What is y from this? 1 minus x. 1 minus x. Okay. 1 minus x. So 1 minus x pota. 1 minus x is equal to 0. Solve pani par. Careful parano. Careful parano. Y value na x square plus y square. Y square na 1 minus x. 1 minus x whole square minus y. Okay, so you solve pani par a square plus b square minus 2x minus 1 plus x is equal to 0. Okay, so plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so 2x square minus x is equal to 0. Appo x common edikana, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 da. Okay, ba. If x is equal to 0, what is y value da? If x is equal to 0, what is y value? If x is equal to 0, y value is 1. If x is equal to 2, what is y value? Minus 1. So point P enna 0, 1 and Q point enna 2, minus 1. Purida, are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Are you all understanding or not? Yes or no? But there is some calculation mistake. I want everybody to look at this. Y is equal to 1 minus x. Correct up or are tabi? What is the mistake? Sir, x is equal to 1 by 2. Oh my god. Yes. X is equal to 1 by 2. Yes or no? X is equal to 1 by 2 na? Yes sir. Very good observation da tambi. Yes or no? Yes. X is equal to 1 by 2. If x is equal to 1 by 2 da, minus 1 by 2 idi. Correct? X is equal to 1 by 2 now, y value na plus 1 by 2, sorry. Correct? You understand my point? X value 1 by 2 pota 1 minus half. Yes or no? So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Correct? Ipo correct? I want everybody to look at the board. I want everybody to respond whether I am doing the calculation correct or not. Yes or no? 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Yes sir. Now ipo correct sir. PQ distance. What is PQ distance? The PQ distance is sir 0 minus half whole square 1 by 4. 1 minus half 1 by 4. So this is quarter plus quarter, half. 2 times of 1 by 4, half. 1 by 2. Okay, they are asking length 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. C for Chintu wala is the right answer. Yes or no? Tell me. Very fantabulous question. Very fantabulous question. Any doubt? Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Guys, please understand, in the chord or the midpoint on the m da, in the m point or the locus we are finding. I'll repeat again. In the m point or the locus we are finding, and the locus is this. What is this locus? This locus is basically circle only. In the locus this represents what? Circle. So that is why I drawn the circle here. Now in the locus intersecting this line at P and Q points. Purida. Apo in the line in y is equal to 1 minus x. Apo y is equal to 1 minus x in the pota x value 0, 1 by 2 and this. X is equal to 0 na y value 1. X is equal to 1 by 2 na y value 1 by 2. So P1 is Q1 is PQ distance 1 by 2 with root. So 1 by root 2 is the answer. Yes or no? Good question. Really very good question. Really very good question. Correct? Yes or no? That's great. Next question. Okay. So tell me, how do you do this? Look, let ABCD, AEF, AEFG be the squares of side 4 and 2 units respectively. The point E on the line segment AB and the point F is on the diagonal AC. The radius of the radius R of the circle passing through the point F and touching the line BC and CD satisfies. Then this is good question, Dari. Everybody look at the board. Very, very good question. Okay, sir, all questions are good question only, sir. You are saying all questions are beautiful questions. Amar, Chintu, every question is beautiful question only. Yes or no? Tell me. Correct? Okay. So fine. A, B, C, D, A, E, F, G, right? Square side in the sir. Square side in a 4. Okay. So there is one square like this. 4. There are 2 squares. Okay. Either square, sir. Either square, and there is another square like this. There is another square with x is equal to 2. Okay. Right? Okay, people. Hello. Yes, sir. Now look at the board. Now this then, sir, what is this? Side length at a 4. This bigger square. Idana A, is B, is C, is D, is E, is F. Idana, sir, F. This one the G. That is what they have given. Check. Read the question carefully. Yes or no? So this point is what, sir? This total is 4 given, sir. This total is 4 given to us. This is 4 is nothing but square. So is 4 comma 4. This is 2 given to us. This length is what, sir? 2. So this is going to be 2 comma 2. Correct? Do you agree with my point? Do you all agree with my point? Purida na ella na solradhu purida ellarkum 2 comma 2. Now next pathina everybody look at the board. So respectively then the radius of R circle passing through the point F. Okay, so there is a circle passing through R. There is a circle of radius R passing through FR. Okay. Okay, yes or no? Tell me. There is a circle with radius R, it is passing through F. Check. That is what they have given. Now, what is the center of this circle? What is the center of the circle? Radius in R is R, sir. Total 4, sir. Center in, sir. What is the center? What is the center of the circle? What is the center of the circle? Let's say O, sir. Let's say O, sir. Center in what is the center? Let me denote the center is O. Okay. Let me note O. What is O here? 4 minus R comma 4 minus R. Do you agree with my point? In the center of this green color circle will be 4 minus R comma 4 minus R. Eppadi, sir? This R, sir, total 4, sir. So center in, sir. Center in this is also R. This is also R. Appo total 4. 4 la R subtract panna x coordinate of the center varum. Total 4 la in the radius subtract panna y coordinate is also 4 minus R. Correct? Yes or no? Wonderful, sir. Sir, now what I need to find out? What I need to find out? Satisfies each of the following. Okay, then I need to find out what? I need to find out OF. OF. F therim, O therim. That's it. Into OF and every option is in terms of what? OF and O F distance and pari. O F distance and so 4 minus R minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus R minus 2 whole square. This is the radius. Correct? OF is what basically? OF is also radius, na? Guys, OF is also radius or not? Do you agree with my point? OF is also radius. OF is also radius. I'll solve panna enna savarum. I'll solve panna pare. So 4 minus 2, which is 2 minus R whole square. So A square plus B square 4R, then 4 minus 2 whole square. So 4 plus R square minus 4R, okay, is equal to R square. Squaring on both sides. Correct? Sir, R square. So what is this, sir? R square minus 8R plus 8 is equal to 0. Is there any option like this? R square minus 8R plus 8. Yes, D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Did you all understand this? Did you all understand this beautiful question? Simple question. If you draw the diagram draw panni correct ah purinjikana, you're understanding the language of the question. Takatak patapat panikla. Any doubts? Tell me, guys. Any doubts? Tell me. Next question polama. Next question polama. Are you all ready? Next. Yes, sir. Next question. Super. Everybody do this. Okay, yes, a square is inscribed in the circle. One side of the square is parallel to this. Guys, this is a very good question again. Okay, this is a very good question. By dumb mind thought the center of the circle was 3, 3. No, Sid. Please check. So slide upload agala straight lines. Straight lines ka. Array, already that's been given. Please check. Now, Sanjit Puri Leda, what are you asking? I don't get your point. Circle, I mean a square inscribed in the circle, one side of the square is parallel to this. Okay, or circle you draw one circle like this. Okay, one circle okay, a square is inscribed in the circle. Okay, appo circle okay, so for making the concept clear, we will draw konjam பெரிய circle. Okay, இதுக்குள்ள ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் இருக்குடா, இதுக்குள்ள ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கா இப்படி. ஓகே, இதுக்குள்ள ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கு இப்படி, ரெக்டாங்குலர் மாதிரி இருக்கு, பட் புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. ஓகேவா, ரெக்டாங்குலர் மாதிரி இருக்கு, பட் புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. ஓகேவா, எஸ் ஆர் நோ? என்ன ஸ்கொயர்? ஸ்கொயர் நேம் தெரியாது. அப்போ லெட்ஸ் சே இது ஏ, இது பி, இது சி, இது டி. ஓகேவா, ஸோ இந்த சர்க்கிளோட சென்டர் என்ன சார்? சர்க்கிளோட சென்டர் வந்து லெட் மீ ரைட் த சென்டர் ஹியர்டா. Center which is 5, 3 sir. Radius என்ன sir? Radius என்ன sir? 25 plus 9 minus 30 sir. So root 14 root 14 தானா? root 14 yes or no? root 14 எப்படிடா? minus 5, so 4 which is 2. correct radius is 2. radius is 2. one வா yes or no? next பாத்தீங்கன்னா radius 2 so இப்போ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா கரெக்ட்டா பார்க்கணும்டா. everybody look at the board. this is a கொஞ்சம் straight lines involves here again, straight lines. so இப்போ இது okay 1 minute. அரே it's not working. Why? Anyway, look. Okay, so this is the center. What is the center? 5, 3 sir. Center is 5, 3. Radius is 2. This is 45 here. Do you agree with my 45 degrees? Okay, radius is what's that? 2. Radius is 2 here. Everybody look at the board. Radius is 2 sir. Radius is 2 and it is making 45 degrees diagonal with the AB base. Guys, one of the side is parallel to this line. One of the side is parallel to this nothing but, guys, look at the board everyone. Guys, one of the side is parallel to this line. There is one line something like this. Our name is now y is equal to x plus 3 da. Okay, they have given one line. Rough diagram I am drawing. One line they have given in the line ku or side parallel ah irukku. Appo can we assume the parallel side as x, y is equal to x plus k? guys, அரே பாபு ஒரு லைன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா, இதுக்கு இன்னொரு parallel, இந்த லைனுக்கு one of the side of the square is parallel இருக்கு. அப்போ side AB can I assume it as y is equal to x plus k? straight lines ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா பாரு, இவரோட ஸ்லோப் என்ன 1, இவரோட ஸ்லோப் என்ன 1 தான். அப்போ can I assume the AB side as y is equal to x plus k? புரியுதா guys? one line given, you have to assume another line which is parallel to the given line. எப்படி assume பண்றது? You keep the everything same, constant மட்டும் change பண்ணு. 3 கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா, in place of 3 you can write any constant, let's say k. புரியுதா? அப்போ AB வந்துருச்சு சார். அப்போ AB வந்துருச்சுனா பாரு, இது என்ன சார்? Can I apply perpendicular distance? இது என்ன? Can I apply perpendicular distance? எனக்கு center தெரியும், இந்த AB தெரியும். Can I apply perpendicular distance? Let me consider as D. Okay, D என்ன perpendicular distance? What is D sir? D என்ன perpendicular distance? 5, 3 போட்டு பாரு. So 5 minus 3 plus k divided by root 2. கரெக்டா சார்? ஃபைன், நல்லா இருக்கு சார். அப்போ D தெரியாது சார். D எப்படி சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? D எதுக்கு சார்? சார் can I apply, சார் can I apply sin 45 சார்? sin 45 அப்ளை பண்ணலாம். We got this. sin 45 அப்ளை பண்ணலாமா? sin 45 பாரு. sin 45 என்ன சார்? opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse என்ன சார்? sin 45 opposite by hypotenuse. அப்போ sin 45 என்ன? 1 by root 2 is equal to D by 2. 2 cancel. அப்போ D is equal to what sir? root 2. D is equal to என்ன சார்? D is equal to என்ன சார்? root 2. D value root 2 வந்துருச்சு சார். D value root 2 I got. Okay, so D is equal to root 2. Okay, இப்போ equal to root 2 பண்ணு. root 2 is equal to 5 minus 3 plus k. Correct? Divided by root 2. Do you agree with my point or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no? So here, so 5 minus 3, so 2 plus k is equal to 2. Okay, so 2 plus k is equal to plus or minus 2. So k is equal to what? 0. K is equal to minus 4. Do you all agree with my point? K is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 4. Sanjit, I will upload it. Sanjit, please check it. It might have been uploaded. Okay, no problem. Weird and wonderful. Okay, so K value 0 or minus 4. Okay, wow. Appo straight line sir. What is AB side sir? What is AB side here? What is AB side? Guys, what I need? எனக்கு sum of xi square வேணும், sum of yi square வேணும். I need sum of the squares of x and y coordinates of the square. Guys, எனக்கு ABCD எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? AB என்ன? Tell me what is AB here? AB is the point of intersection of the side of the square and a circle. புரியுதா? AB என்ன? Point of intersection of AB and circle தானா? A என்ன? Tell me now. What is A? Point of intersection of the side and a circle. அப்போ இந்த side if you know, can't you solve ABCD? 100%. Now I got side. What is that? What is AB side? Tell me. What is AB side? Side A. Side AB. Side AB என்ன? K value could be 0. Side AB could be y is equal to x or y is equal to x minus 4. புரியுதா? When y is equal to x, solve this y is equal to x with a circle. What is the circle? Circle என்ன? x square. இங்க போடு. Y square means x square minus 10x minus 6x plus 30 is equal to 0. அப்போ 2x square minus 10x, sorry, minus 16x plus 30 is equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 15. Okay, wow. அப்போ x is equal to என்னடா? 5 3s ah. So x value 5, x value 3. Do you agree with my point? X value 3 and 5 ah. X value 3 and 5 ah. Yes sir. அப்போ x value 3 na y value என்ன sir? Y is equal to x da. X value 3 na y is equal to என்ன sir? X is equal to 5 na, x is equal to 5 na, y is equal to also 5. If x is equal to 3 na, y is also going to be 3. Are you getting the point or not da தம்பி? Yes sir. புரியுது sir. Now இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா everybody look at the board. Everybody look at the board. When y is equal to x minus 4, when y is equal to x minus 4, இந்த y is equal to x minus 4 போட்டு பாரு. X square plus x minus 4 whole square minus 10x minus 6y, okay, plus 30 is equal to 0. Plus 30 is equal to 0. Okay வா? Calculation நல்லா பண்ணணும்டா, கரெக்டா பண்ணணும். A square plus b square minus 8x minus 10x minus 6x plus 24 plus 30 is equal to 0 da. Okay வா? அப்போ 2x square minus 18 minus 24x minus 24x. Can you all see the board? Yes sir. So 2x square minus 20 எவ்வளோடா? minus 18 minus 24x 40 70 yes sir. For 2 common எடுக்கலாமா? So 12x plus 35. So 35 means 7 into 5. Yes, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 5 sir. Correct? 5 and 7 yes. So if x is equal to 7 now y value என்ன sir? If x is equal to 7 y value என்ன sir? 3 sir. For y value 5 na x value என்ன sir? Oh sorry, இது x value என்னது? X value sorry. இது x is equal to 5. Okay வா? For y value என்ன sir? X is equal to 5 now y value 1 sir. Yes or no da? Yes or no? That's great, very good sir. Now tell me sir, we got this as answer sir, 7531 right? Yes. Now sum of squares of all this da, the answer is square of this plus square of this plus square of this plus square of this square of this square of this square of this square of this, all possibility values of x and y oda sum and square pananum. Purida? Yes or no? In the red color circle irukka value oda square panni add pananum. Okay va? So 5 square என்ன சார் 25. Okay, so 3 square என்ன சார் 9. Next 5 square என்ன 25. புரியுதா? Next 3 square என்ன 9. Okay, next 7 square என்ன 49 plus 5 square என்ன 25 plus 3 square என்ன 9 plus 1. So எல்லாமே add பண்ண என்ன சார் வருது? Option A வந்துச்சா? Okay, A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Guys, option A is coming da. Purida? Beautiful question, wonderful question, fantabulous question, excellent question, stupendous question, beautiful question, chintu question. You all have to do. Okay, va? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. எல்லாமே add பண்ணா 152 கண்டிப்பா வரணும். நல்லா இருக்கா question? நல்லா இருக்கா question? Question நல்லா இருக்கா? Are you all understanding? Wow. Next question போலாமா? Next question polama. Yes sir. Next. Okay, next. If one of the guys, this is also very good question now, very famous question. This is a very good question. Star mark podrani, very good question. Okay, now here pare what they have given here. Pare, everybody should look at the board please. Everybody should look at the board. If one of the diameters of the circle is the chord of another circle C, whose center is the point of intersection of this and this, then the radius of the circle C enna. Okay, another circle C. Okay, first வந்து we'll do one thing, we'll draw one circle da. Okay, one of the diameter in the circle oda diameter is this. Okay va? In the circle oda diameter வந்து இதுடா. Okay, இது வந்து chord of another circle. இது வந்து chord of another circle. And the circle என்ன சார் இது? Let's say this circle, another circle. Okay va? Okay, இப்படி. Okay, see this is the diameter of one circle, this is the chord of another circle. Okay, fine sir. Now இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா everybody look at the board. Radhe babu, hello Chintu. Yes sir. One of the diameter. What is the center of this circle da? What is the center of this circle? Center of the circle is sir 5 comma minus 2. 5 comma minus 2. Are you all understanding? Yes or no? Sir, last question explain. Arunachala Menada we know. Please watch the recording. Please watch the recording again. I already invested so much of time on that question. You watch the recording, you will understand. Don't worry. So let us go with this question. Please understand. Okay, 5 comma minus 2. 5 comma minus 2 is the center of the circle. Okay, wow? Yes, sir. Sir, for radius, what is center here? Center is what, sir? Center. What is that, sir? 5 comma minus 2. Radius, what is the radius? 25 plus 4 minus 13. Correct? 29. 29 means root 16, which is 4. Correct? Radius is 4. Okay. There is another circle. This circle center. This yellow color circle I am writing with yellow color. Okay, in the yellow color circle oda center ipdi irukda. Okay, yellow color circle oda center enna? See, circle C. What is the center of this? Point of intersection of these two lines. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. Solve பண்ணனும்டா. Solve பண்ணா எப்படி solve பண்றது? Multiply with 3. Multiply 3, so 6x plus 9y so is equal to 36. 2 கிட்ட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 6x 4 10 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா மைனஸ் ப்ளஸ் மைனஸ் இது கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். ஸோ 5y இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 3 3 is 9 36 2 to 4. Okay, 5y is equal to what? 16. So y is equal to 16 by 5. I'm getting. Any doubts here? Y is equal to 16 by 5 is the answer. I'm getting y coordinate as 16 by 5. Any doubts there? Any doubts there, da? No. Something I wrote wrongly. Multiply 3 now. 3 to 6. 3 3 is 9. 12 3 is 36. 2 3 6. 4. Sorry, 2 5 10. Sorry, yeah, 10. My bad. 10. Yes or no da? அப்போ இது வந்து 13y sir. 13y is equal to 26. Y is equal to 2 sir. Y is equal to 2 na x is equal to என்ன sir? Y is equal to 2 na x is equal to 6 3. Okay வா? So இது வந்து 3, 2 sir. இந்த yellow color circle ஓட center வந்து 3, 2 sir. அப்போ இதுக்கு distance. We need to find out what the radius of the circle C. இந்த yellow color circle ஓட radius find பண்ணனும். Check. இந்த radius என்ன sir? இந்த capital R. Capital R is what sir? In the yellow color circle radius. Pari. So capital R is what sir? Capital R is what? Can we apply Pythagoras theorem? What is this distance? In the distance enna? What is this distance? Tell me. 5 minus 4. 4 plus root 8. Tell me. Root 8 then idi. Yes or no? Root 8 kadayadu. Root 20, sorry. Check. Root 20. Yes or no? So Pythagoras theorem. R square is equal to 20 plus 16. R is equal to R square is equal to 36. Appo R is equal to sir? Appo R is equal to 6. 6. C for Chintu is the right answer. Any doubts? Yes, Sarvesh, I will come da re Tabi. I will come. Guys, I'll explain you again da. In the white color circle oda diameter is the chord to the yellow circle da. So white color circle oda center 5, minus 2, radius 4. 5, minus 2 radius I wrote. Okay va? In the yellow color circle oda center வந்து இந்த ரெண்டு லைன் ஓட point of intersection. அது சால்வ் பண்ணா இது வந்துருச்சு. I wrote here. Okay. அப்போ எனக்கு yellow color circle radius கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Yellow color circle radius என்ன? இதுதானா? இந்த distance தானா? அப்போ capital R is the radius of yellow color circle. எனக்கு இது தெரியும். இந்த distance என்ன? root 20. இது என்ன? இது white color radius already தெரியும் 4. Pythagoras theorem apply பண்ணா R square is equal to root 20 square plus 4 square 16. Yes or no? Chintu is the right answer. That's great. Next question. Okay. Guys, again guys, these two circles are intersecting at two distinct points. Already we did ready. This is the homework to you all. Because these two circles are intersecting at 2 points. In the question kandipa very very important. In the case is ரொம்ப important. When two circles are intersecting to each other, condition enna? Already rendu question paathiyachuda. Okay, so please check. You need to do this as a homework. Next, again, see these 4 points lying on a circle, then K is equal to, this is also we did. I told you na, this is 2024 January 27. 2024 January 27. I told you right. This is also homework. Same type of question da. Neenga pannanum. Okay va. Next, inga pare. This is again beautiful question. Idu na, sir, let the center of the circle passing through the point this touching the circle this be this, then for all possible values of coordinates of center h, k this is now. Guys, the center of the circle is passing through the point this and touching another circle. Okay, touching da. Another, it is touching another circle da. How do we do this da? Tell me, how do you do this? It is touching another circle. It is touching another circle. Tell me. Here, firstly, let me draw one coordinate axis. Okay, everybody look at the board carefully. Da. Okay. This is 0, 0. Okay, this is 1, 0 da. Okay. There is one circle passing through this point. passing through these points, and radius is 3, sir. Okay, radius, let us write, is 1, 0, let us write here, radius is 3. So basically, guys, wait, we will occupy the space, we'll try to draw the diagram properly. Yes, look, this is basic diagram. Idana sir 0, 0. Okay, idana 1, 0. Okay, and next this is 3, 0, sir. Okay, because why it is 3, 0? Because there is one circle passing through this. Okay, look, passing through this. Okay, look, this is 1, 0. What is this? 3, 0. Okay, guys, you understand now? Tell me. There is another, the circle passing through 0, 0, 1, 0. There is another circle passing through these points. There is another circle passing through these points. And the circle is okay. There is another circle passing through these points. Please look this. Please look at this. Oh my God! Wait. Guys, diagram correct illena puriyadida. So that is the reason I'm just focusing on the diagram properly. Okay, yes, check. There's another circle passing through these 2 points, and just tell me one circle touching another circle internally. Yes or no? One circle touching internally. Yes or no? Da? In the circle radius is 3. Then total 3, sir. In the total 3, in the center they have given as h, k. In the pink color circle center h, k given. Center of a circle which passing through 0, 0, 1, 0 is h, k. For all the possible values of the coordinates of the center, then this 4 times of this. Sir, I have one doubt, sir. This is total 3, sir. This total length, how much, sir? This total length is 3, sir. Radius. The radius of the bada circle. The radius of the bada circle is 3. Sir, this is 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2 or not? This is also 3 by 2. Do you agree with my point or not? Tell me. Do you agree with my point? 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Yes or no? That's it. Answer vandiruchira. Now, how do you proceed further? How do you proceed further from this? I need a relation between H and F. H and K, sorry. I need a relation between H and K. Tell me, internally division da. Circles touching internally. What is the condition, sir? Hey, Babu, it is C1, it is C2. Okay, wow. C1, C2 is equal to R1 minus R2. C1, C2 distance is R1 minus R2. Condition matching or not? You do this. After the C1, C2, sir, C1, C2 is square root of H square plus K square. R1 is, sir, what is R1? 3 by 2. R2 is 3. Okay, so squaring on both sides. 3 by 2 is a minus 3 by 2. So 9 by 4. Okay, 4 times of they are asking this. Answer 9 da. Answer 9. Okay, bah. Beautiful question. Good question. Chintu question. Yes or no? 9 is the answer. Any doubt? Ra Babu? KK Gaming, how 3, 0? Are Babu, in the period circle, they have given it as x square plus y square is equal to 9. Period circle, they have given it as x square plus y square is equal to 9. Those who are attending this class, the circle preparation is going to the next level. You all are preparing the circles in a very, very proper manner. All the questions are beautiful questions. Okay, believe me, if you are doing all these questions with so much of concept, okay, with so much of involvement, definitely you are going to make any sort of question, let it be in your upcoming April session. You will be able to make it. Guys. Again, you revise panni join panna class munadi neenga formulas revise panni join panna, it will be handy. Okay, any doubts? Next question polama. Yes or no? What about distance formula? Distance formula only applied. C1, C2 distance. Okay. Yes, sir. Hope you are getting the point. Okay. Next. Whose distance from the origin is 4 root 2 actually. Whose distance from the origin is 4 root 2. Guys, here something is missing. 4 root 2. then alpha plus beta whole square ena. Then alpha plus beta whole square ena. Guys, here alpha plus beta whole square ena. What is this? Then alpha plus beta whole square ena. Question on the alpha plus beta whole square is what? Alpha plus beta whole square is equal to dash. This is the question now. Okay, yes sir. Now let us do this question. The circle whose radius is root 50 touches the line. Okay sir, y is equal to what line da? What is the line given to us? What is the line given to us? Y is equal to minus x line da babu. In the line part, there is a circle touching. Okay, there is a circle touching this line. Okay, there is a circle touching this line da. Okay, wow. Check. Idana sir, y is equal to minus x line. Tell me, y is equal to minus x line. So what is the center of this? Alpha comma beta, na? Yes sir, alpha comma beta. Okay, so this radius sir. Okay, so this center C, this P point. At point called P it is touching. Sir, can I do point P? CP is equal to R. Here CP is equal to R. Which condition? CP is equal to R. CP enna? Seek peak distance enna? Seek peak distance enna? Perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance. What is this line? X plus y is equal to 0 line. Y is equal to minus x line da. So alpha plus beta minus 0. Perpendicular distance I'm applying into radius. What is the radius sir? Radius on the root 50 sir. Root 15 sir, alpha plus beta with mod is equal to root 100 sir. Root 100 means what sir? Alpha plus beta whole square they are asking, which is 100. 100 is answer. 100 is answer. We'll let 100 here. That's it. Very simple. Chintu question. Any doubts? Sir, whose distance of this point from the origin on the 4 root 2? Sir, why did I give this then? Time pass. Why did I give this? Whose distance from the origin? In the point P order distance, from the origin on the 4 root 2 given. Why did I give that sir? Why did they give that? Time pass. That is not required here. We just need to find alpha plus beta whole square. That's it. We got this. Yes or no? Yes or no? This is the easy question now. This one the easy question. Next question. Guys, again finding the number of common tangents. Finding for number of common tangents. How do we find out number of common tangents? Find out C1. What is C1? 9, 15 by 2. Yes or no? 9, 15 by 2 is the C1. What is radius 1 then? Radius 1 is 9 square is 81. 225 by 4 minus 131. Okay, wow. This is R1. C2 is sir. C2 is 3, 3 sir. Radius 2 is sir. 9 plus 7 sir. So which is root 25, which is 7, which is 5, sorry. Yes or no? இப்போ இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா what is R1 is going to be? Tell me, what is R1 is going to be? So 4 into 81, 324, 324 minus 131 into 4, how much is 4, 12, 524, 524 means, so calculate panna 25 by 4, 25, yes, 25 by 4 da. This one 5 by 2. Check. Radius 1 is 5 by 2. C1, C2 na, radius 2 is 5. So C1, C2 is what here? Here. C1, C2 na, C1, C2 distance na. So 6 minus 9 minus 3 whole square. 6 whole square, 36. 15 by 2 minus 3. So 9 by 3 whole square. 9 by 3 whole square means 81 by 9. Correct ada? 9 by 2, sorry. So 81 by 4. So 144. Yes or no da? Are you all getting the point? So 144, 81, 9, 12, 321. Okay, correct or not? 6, 36, 15 by 2 minus 3. How much are they? C1, C2 I am finding 15 by 2. 6, 9 by 2 whole square. So 81 by 4. 81 by 4. Correct, Dana? C1, C2 how much? 5 by 2. C1, C2 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So 72, 72, 144. This 81. This 5, 12, 225. 225 by 4. 225 by 4. 224. So 225 by 4, which means 15 by 2. C1, C2 is 15 by 2. So if you observe this, the C1, C2 is equal to what? C1, C2 15 by 2. R1 plus R2 is 15 by 2, check. R1 plus R2 is also matching, check. 15 by 2 is equal to 15 by 2 here. In the condition varudhu, when this condition is possible, when this condition is possible, tell me. Here C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2 is matching. When this condition is possible, when two circles are touching each other externally like this. Yes or no? When two circles are touching each other like this C1, C2, in the C1, in the C2, okay, is R1, is R2. This condition will be possible whenever these two circles are, touching externally like this. So number of common tangents. How many common tangents possible? Tell me. How many common tangents are possible? Tell me. Etna common tangents possible? 3 common tangents. Takatak, fatapat solano. Yes or no? How many common tangents possible? One direct common tangent, 2 transversal common tangent. 1 direct common tangent, 2 transversal common tangent. Yes or no? Tell me total 3 for Chintu. 3 for Chintu. C for Chintu is the right answer. C for Chintu is the right answer. Nalarka question hai. Any doubts? Yes or no? Sir, Gnanolaha. First attempt I got 87 percentile. Can I get 90 in the remaining days? Day 87 to 90. அது எதுமே இருக்காதுடா. 87 percentile you got டா. 90 வாங்குறதுக்கு ஒரு क्वेश्चन ஜாஸ்தி பண்ணா 90 வந்துரும்டா. 90 டார்கெட் கிடையாது. என்னோட டார்கெட் வந்து 99. ஓகேவா? அதுக்கு தான் we are just traveling now. Okay, we are on the process of getting 99 percentile, 98 percentile. You aim for that. 87 to 90 வாங்குறதுக்கு பெரிய மேட்டர் கிடையாது. ஒரு क्वेश्चन எக்ஸ்ட்ரா பண்ணா 90 வந்துரும். ஓகேவா? Yes or no? Yes or no, tell me. புரியுதா? So if I'm asking you to find out number of transversal common tangent, then 2 is the answer. If I'm asking you to find out direct common tangent, number of direct common tangent na, இது DCT da, இது DCT, இது TCT. TCT means what? Transversal common tangent. 2 transversal common tangent possible here and 1 direct common tangent possible. Okay, why you should know the names. Yes or no? Very good, very good, very good. Next. Okay, another beautiful question. Okay, yes sir. Look at this. If the tangents at the point P and Q for the circle meet at the point R, then the area of the triangle PQR. Beautiful question da. Guys, you mark my words, in the mari question kandipa vandrum da. Okay, so what kind of question is this? A tangent. Okay, there is one circle, sir. I'll give a direct formula for this. I have given in handwritten notes as well. Okay, இது ஒரு சர்க்கிள் இருக்குடா, இது ஒரு சர்க்கிள் டா. இந்த சர்க்கிளுக்கு tangents we are drawing. Okay, we are drawing the tangents. Are you all looking at the board? Are you all looking at the board or not? Are you all looking at the board or not? Looking here and there or looking at the board? Look at the board, Chintu. Look at the board, Chintu. Looking at the board is very important. Not looking at the board. Looking at the board. Okay. So yes sir. Now in the pathina. My God. Yes sir. Yes. Okay. இப்படி இருக்கு diagram. பாரு. Yes or no? Tangents drawn at the points P and Q. At the P point, sir. At the Q point, sir. Wow. They are meeting at R point. R point in 9 by 4, comma 2. Fine, sir. Nalla irukku, sir. Fine. Understood. Okay, what is the center of the circle, sir? What is the center of the circle? What is the center of the circle? What is the center of the circle, da? What is this center, sir? 1 comma minus 1 by 2 is the center. 1 comma minus 1 by 2 is the center. Now join this. Okay, this is the center. Okay, nalla join pannu, correcta join pannu da. Okay, இது correcta join pannu இப்படி. Okay, next. Right? So what I need to find out? PQR triangle you need to find out. Area of this PQR triangle you need to find out. PQR oda triangle area enna? Area of the PQR triangle enna? Alright, guys, in the mari diagram very important da. So questions where involves this diagram. Questions where involves in the mari diagrams are very important. In the mari diagram involve aayuchna, imagine எத்தனை questions form பண்ணலாம் தெரியுமா? Length of chord I can ask, length of this triangle I can ask, length of this triangle I can ask, length of tangent I can ask, angle between the tangents I can ask. புரியுதா? இந்த டயக்ராம்க்கு, இந்த சிங்கிள் டயக்ராம்க்கு மேல எத்தனை questions form பண்ண தெரியுமா? Area of the PQR triangle, area of the white color triangle, length of the chord PQ, length of this, I mean, let's say the center, PC length I can ask, CQ length I can, CQ length is radius obviously. Are you getting the point? I can ask different questions. I can ask, I can ask area of the circumcircle. Okay, wow. This is another white color circle. This is a circumcircle of the triangle PQR. What is the area of the triangle? I can ask that as well. What is the equation of the circumcircle? I can ask that as well. Nariya question they can ask. Beautiful model I teach you. Listen the class. Now I'll teach you how to find out circumcircle. How to find out the equation of the circle I teach you in the next question. Please stay tuned. Now tell me guys. This formula enna? Takatak solluda. Formula direct. Tell me guys. Formula to find out. Formula I have given in handwritten notes. I have given in the handwritten notes. You just need to learn area of the triangle PQR. In the triangle, in the point of contact, see guys, triangle is forming at point of contact for tangent at P, tangent at Q and R. There is one triangle and the triangle area and the formula R L cube divided by R square plus L square. This is the formula. R L cube by, what is R here? This is the radius R. What is L here? This is L. L is what, sir? Length of tangent. Length of tangent enna? Length of tangent enna? Length of tangent enna? Square root of S1 formula. L means length of tangent. What is the formula? Square root of S1. Square root of S1 means what? In the point, in the circle, S1 will come. S1 enna? Okay. What is S1 here? S1 calculate panano. What is S1 da? In the point circle 9 by 4 whole square. So 81 by 16 plus 4 minus 2 into 18 by 4. 80 by 9 is 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Yeah, 9 by 2 plus 2 minus 5. This is S1, sir. Okay. So LCM is 16. 81 minus 72. 6 minus 1 plus 16 by 2. Yes or no? 9. What is the, tell me? 8, 9, 9. So 25 by 2. 25 by 2 is S1. Okay. 25 by 2. S1 is 25 by 2. Yes or no? Oh. So 25 by 16 da. 25 by 16 da. 16. 25 by 16. 25 by 16. This one. Okay, wow. Apo square root of S1 is what? Square root of S1 is what? 5 by 4. Correct? Do you agree with my point? 5 by 4. Do you agree with my point or not? Tell me. Are you all understanding? Are you all getting the point? 25 by 4. I am getting the length of tangent. Length of tangent I am getting 21 by 4. So 25 by 4. Is that correct? Yes or no? Yes, sir. What is the radius, sir? What is the radius? What is the radius? Let us find out radius. Radius, sir. What is the radius? Radius solano takatak 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 5, sir. So minus 4. So 9 by 4. Minus 4. Radius. What is the radius, da? What is the radius? 1 plus 1 by 4 minus or multiply, right? 5, right? So 6. 25 by, so 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is the radius. Radius is 5 by 2. Check. Now everything you substitute here. In a S1 there you L value of 5 by 4. R value. Everything you substitute here you will get the answer. That's it. In a L value and R value of 5 by 2. 5 by 2. L cube means what? 5 by 4 whole cube divided by R square means 25 by 2, 5 by 2 whole square plus L square means 5 by 4 whole square. If you solve the answer, that's it. You solve this, you will get the answer. You solve this, you will get the answer. You solve this, you will get the answer. 5 by 8 right? B for Bombay is the right answer. Yes, 5 by 8 people are getting. 5 by 8 is the answer. Is the answer. Are you getting the point or not, Ilvi? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is that clear? Is that clear with everyone? Is that clear with everyone? Any doubts? Any doubt, people? Tell me. How L is equal to root S1? Sanjit, that is a formula to find out length of tangent. This is the length of tangent. See, length of tangent is what here basically. This is the length of tangent. Okay, this pink color part is what? P to R distance and length of tangent. We call this PR as length of tangent. Length of tangent kandipudikiradhukku square root of S1 is the formula. Purida? Yes or no? Arunachalam. How 9/2? 9/2 inge irukku. I did not write 9/2. Enga 9/2? How 9/2? Hello madam, in the S1 means what? In the R point, in the circle la pota S1 will come da. From this point you are having two tangents na. The point of contact of the tangents they have given this. In the point in the circle la pota S1 will come. S1 means substituting the point in the circle is S1. Correct? This is a very good question. Okay, now this is a formula. Length of the tangent formula is what? Square root of S1. Arunachalam, Sanjit, this is the formula to find out length of the tangent. Yes or no? Tell me. That's 9/2 only I wrote here. Check. 9/2 only I wrote. Yes or no? I wrote minus 9/2 only, Priyanka. Check. Yes or no? Are you all getting the point? You can do this now. Please check this. This is a very good question. Square root of S1, length of tangent. PR is representing length of tangent. That formula root square root of S1. Guys, you should know how to find out T, how to find out S1. This basic point. The basic. I have given in the handwritten notes. Please go and refer that. Okay? Yes, sir. Next. Okay? Again, beautiful question. Check. O be the origin and OQ be the tangents to the circle. This at the point P and Q on it. If the circumcircle of the triangle OPQ passes through the point, this value of alpha n. Beautiful question again. Listen to me, guys. Hello, guys. Are you all listening? Hello, Chintu. Ke dala voice hai? Yes, sir. We are listening, sir. Look, O be the origin from. Okay, look. So this is O, sir. From O you are drawing tangents. This is origin now. From O you are drawing the tangents like this. Okay. From O you are drawing the tangents to the circle. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. This is a very big thing now. We will draw from here. Okay. So let me make this diagram a bit smaller. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now everybody look at the board. This is a center. Right? This is center. What is the center? Center was 3, minus 2, sir. Radius, sir. What is the center? Center is 3, minus 2. What is the radius, sir? What is the radius? 9 plus 4 minus 8, which is root 5. Radius on the root 5. Radius on the root 5. Check. Are you all understanding or not? Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Is that clear with everyone? Yes, sir. Now basically, if you observe this properly, at what point they have given up? Point P and Q. This one the O, sir. Okay. So OQ are the tangent to the circle. At P and Q they are meeting to the circle. Is the circumcircle of triangle OPQ. Guys, beautiful point. I'll tell you. Look at the board. Circumcircle of this triangle OPQ. OPQ triangle or circumcircle. Eppadi irukum sir? Look at the board everyone. Eppadi irukum sir? Eppadi. Look at the board, everyone. I'll draw. Okay, this is a circumcircular. Diagram. Yes. Okay. Look, guys, this circumcircle. This is a circumcircle of triangle OPQ. This is a circumcircle of triangle OPQ. This circumcircle equation எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? How do you find out circumcircle equation? Tell me. How do you find out circumcircle equation, guys? Yes. How do you find out circumcircle equation? Yes. Look, this OC, this is in our center. This OC basically what is the diameter of the circumcircle. This OC will be a circumcircular diameter. எப்படி sir? Sir, இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா if you see this, oh my god, wait. I want this line. Guys, you understand that this point, see what is this line now? Guys, what is this? Look, idana angle in semicircle 90 degree idana. இது வந்து இது diameter ஆயிடுச்சுனா semicircle ஆயிரும்டா. இங்க 90 இருக்குடா. 90 when it is possible? இப்போ OC is the diameter of this yellow color circle. OC is the diameter of the yellow color circle. How do you know, sir? Sir, now if you see this properly here, OPCQ is equal to a cyclic quadrilateral. What is that? Cyclic quadrilateral. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Here OPCQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. எப்படி sir cyclic quadrilateral என்ன? Sum of opposite angles பாரு பாபு, opposite angles P angle என்ன 90, Q angle என்ன 90, sum of opposite angles is 180 degrees. Whenever sum of opposite angles is 180 degrees, that quadrilateral will be called as what? Cyclic quadrilateral. ஓகேவா? இப்போ இது 90, இது 90டா. இது 90 னா obviously இது OC diameter ஆயிடுச்சுனா அப்போ இது செமிசர்க்கிள் தான? இது செமிசர்க்கிள் தான? இது செமிசர்க்கிள், இது செமிசர்க்கிள். எப்படி சார் செமிசர்க்கிள் ஆயிடும்? அரே பாபு இங்க 90 இருக்குடா. 19 சாரி செமிசர்க்கிள்ல angle in semicircle என்ன 90 தான? அப்போ 90 இருக்கு. அதுக்காக OC will be what? Diameter. அப்போ OC equation என்ன? O என்ன origin. இப்போ OC equation of circumcircle. Equation of circumcircle is what? In diametric form. Can I write diametric form? Using diametric form. What is the diametric form, sir? Abu, look at the board. X minus x1 plus into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Correct? x1 and sir 0, x2 and sir 3. Okay, plus y1 and sir 0, y2 and sir minus 2 is equal to 0. Tell me. This is passing through what? This is a circumcircle. This is a circumcircle. This guy passing through alpha comma 1 by 2. Alpha comma 1 by 2 போட்டு பாரு. Alpha comma 1 by 2 போட்டு பாரு. So 1 by இது 2 தானே இது. Okay. Alpha comma 1 by 2 போட்டு பாரு. Y 1 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So alpha square minus 3 alpha. So 1 by 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay va. So இப்படி solve பண்ண என்ன வரும்? 5 alpha square minus 4 alpha square. 4 alpha square minus 12 alpha. How much right here? Plus 5 is equal to 0. Correct? Tell me. Are you all getting the point? This solve panna alpha value enna varum? So 20 means what? 10 into 2. 10 into 2, correct? 10 into 2, what are the alpha values? Tell me. 10 into 2 means alpha value 1 by 2. Alpha value 1 by 2 and alpha value 5 by 2 will come. Check. Eppadi sir? Are factorize panni paada. So 10 into 2, 20. 5 4 20. Splitting middle term method. Alpha 1 by 2. Alpha value 5 by 2. So 1 by 2 கிடையாது. Minus 1 by 2 இருக்கு. B option போடக்கூடாது. A option வராது. C ஆப்ஷன்ல மட்டும் 5/2 இருக்கு. ஸோ C ஆப்ஷன் போடலாம். D ஆப்ஷன் சான்ஸே இல்லை. ஸோ C for Chintu Vala is the right answer. Yes or no? It's a good question. Are you all understanding or not, guys? Here this semicircle, I mean this circumcircle passes through the center of the given circle. This circumcircle passes through the center of the given circle. This is basically this OC is basically diameter. How? Because angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. How do you know that it's a 90 degrees? Obviously, if I'm drawing a perpendicular from center to tangent, this will be 90. Yes or no? So that's how I'm seeing OC as a diameter. Or else I can even say that OPCQ. OPCQ is a cyclic quadrilateral here. Cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles 90 degrees. I mean 180 degrees. Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Any doubts? Correct? Are you understanding? Is that clear, guys? Any doubts? Any doubts? Yes or no? That's great. That's great. Yes, sir. Now, இப்போ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா I think it's time to relieve now. Okay. So I've got few questions as homework da. HEW questions. HEW wala question. Yes or no? HW means homework. Homework questions. Okay, wow. Will you be able to do it home? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Homework questions. என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா I have given few homework questions. The beautiful questions I have given. This is like beautiful question. What is this? Beautiful question. Okay. Try by your own. Okay. So all the remaining questions. So I have 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3, 4 questions I have given as homework. Please try that. Okay. So we'll wind up the session now. It's been almost how much? 5:30 we started, right? So it's 8, almost 2.5 hours, 2 hours 35 minutes, right? Did you all understand? Sir, solve this question. Na granola அது homework question da. HW na enna homework வீட்ல பண்ண question. Okay, so வீட்ல தான் பண்ணணும். If you don't get it, please do approach me. Please do approach me எங்க? Please do approach me எங்க? எங்க approach பண்ணணும்? எங்க approach பண்ணணும்? You can approach me here. Telegram da. சரியா? Yes or no? Yes or no? If you don't get it, please do approach me in the Telegram. Okay, va? Ready? Ready? Yes, sir. Okay, people. So let us retire now. Let us retire now. Let us retire now. So Marakama in the session is very, very, very a beautiful session. You all have to, I mean, beautiful session, problem wise. I mean, the problematic wise, the questions which we have taken, the questions which we have discussed. Beautiful questions. Everything is super important. Believe me, super important. Okay, all are very, very, very expected questions. Ready? Okay, நீங்க இது வந்து உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணணும். மறக்காம you need to subscribe to our channel. Okay, and the notes will be uploaded in the description. அங்க போய் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. At the same time, என்னோட handwritten notes of all the chapters and the link will be uploaded in the description as well. அது மறக்காம நீங்க டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி you can take a xerox of that handwritten notes. It will be handy for you. Parabolic irukku, circle irukku, ellipse irukku, hyperbola irukku, calculus irukku, quadratic irukku, matrices irukku, determinants irukku, AOD irukku. Nariya chapters I have given the notes da. Okay va? Anga poi download pannuko. It will be useful. Okay va? High weightage chapters. High weightage chapters venuma? Ungalku high weightage chapters venuma? High weightage chapter venuna? Okay. High weightage chapter. Inga paru. High weightage chapters. High weightage chapters. Important 10 chapters. I will tell you last minute important 10 chapters. Important 10 chapters. First என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா first வந்து let me give you small chapters. First quadratic equation. First இது என்ன wait matrices and determinants. Okay va? Next vectors. Okay, next 3D, next sequence and series. Okay, and easy, which one is statistics? That is statistics. Okay, next பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன வேணும்? Statistics 3D quadratic. Next binomial. Okay, binomial theorem la I'll tell you what to study. Binomial theorem la what to study? General term. Okay, finding remainder. Okay, integral terms, finding integral terms. Okay, and finding coefficient, properties of binomial coefficients, properties of binomial coefficients. You need to study this. Yes or no? Statistics very difficult da. Arey Chintu, statistics da easy da. Okay ba. Okay, so inga pathina next okay, 8th chapter. Which can I give as 8th chapter? Okay, so AOI, application of integrals. Okay, areas, you can say areas. Okay, I give 9 chapters. In fact, matrices and determinants I included. Okay, and basic, very important, types of relations, very important. Okay, or you can say relations and functions. In fact, relations and functions. You study types of relations and finding domain of a function, finding domain and range of functions. Range of functions. If you want me to say important, very important, in the last minute enna pannanumna idha pannanum. Okay va? Yes or no? Suresh Kumar, sir, I'm a student who is planning to write JEE in 2028. So what to do to improve my math knowledge to write JEE before starting 11th? Calculus. First you start with calculus, Sarvesh. After that I'll tell you what to do. Okay, so Arunachalam, we will be doing conics, next conics only, don't worry. Okay, sorry. Okay, next, what I'm missing here, is there any chapter, important chapter? I can tell you one more chapter. If you do this correctly, kandipa, very important, one more, P and C and probability, probability. Okay, combination P and C probability combination mela, P and C and probability combination, P and C probability basic, P and C plus probability combination mela question varuda. So this is what I can give you, this is what the important chapters I can give you in the last minute. Okay va? See, neenga marakama kandipa ungaloda friends ku share pannungada, very important. If you are not realizing how important these chapters are, you will be realizing after finishing the exam. Okay va? There will not be any use. Okay, P and C means permutations and combinations, Sanjit. Okay, yes, granola, yes. Next, Arunachalam, Monday will be parabola, Tuesday ellipse and hyperbola. Monday parabola mela PYQs, Tuesday ellipse and hyperbola mela PYQs. Sariya? Okay, people, so let us retire da, enakku class irukda 8:30 ku. Okay va? So hope you enjoyed the session, guys. If you enjoyed the session, please smash out the like button. So that is the motivation, that is the motivation which we can get. That is what the minimum thing I could expect from my students. That is what the most beautiful gift I could receive from my students. Okay va? So, and the basic thing I expect from my students, which inspired me to come up with a double energy to teach you in YouTube. Okay, to deliver the best out of the syllabus, which helps for your JEE upcoming. Okay, upcoming JEE exam, right? Okay, people, differentiation differentiation also you can do it. Differentiation question, that is easy only, but every time you will not get a differentiation question. Okay, guys, one more thing, if you want to add, you can add this limits easy da, idella LH rule. Okay, wow. LH rule and standard forms. LH rule, expansions, you can say expansions and standard forms. Okay, sin x by x is equal to 1, tan x by x is equal to 1, and the standard forms questions. Okay, people, we'll meet in the next class. We'll meet in the Monday's class with parabolas chapter. Until then, have a nice day. Tada, bye bye. Good night.